And
Good morning!
good morning.
Good morning!
Sorry, a bit late.
Yeah, a bit late.
The stream checklist is quite long.
Well, it was more about the fact that I had a problem with my audio driver on my PC.
Well, that's solved now. You just had to fix that before.
Why do I feel tiny today?
Oh, should we prop you up a bit?
Oh no, there you go. Now I'm sitting properly.
Alright, that's always my mistake.
No. Good morning, Z, and good morning, Nick.
Yes, nice to have you here this morning, guys.
Did anybody see my little funky cuddle in with the doggos before the stream started? No.
No.
Good morning, Snitzier.
Snitzier.
Hello, Blue Games.
Good morning, Blue Games. And by the way, I didn't actually finish it, but I got halfway through the podcast yesterday, and it was really interesting. I was enjoying it.
Yeah.
But then I got sidetracked on something, and I didn't manage to finish the podcast.
What did you get sidetracked with?
I was trying to get the Mac Mini server.
Oh yeah, that was true. I forgot that.
Yeah, and I got halfway through Ubuntu installation, and it went pretty badly. But you know, things happen, right?
So, how is everybody this morning? Have you got your tea, your coffee? All that jazz?
Can only stay for 5 minutes as usual. My son is busy playing math game.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's nice though.
If you can go join him, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys solve some math together. That's good Saturday morning activity. It's nice for you dropping by though, even for just for a few minutes.
Yep.
Yeah, 45 minutes is too long.
Did you have to talk all the way through that 45 minutes?
Yeah. And I also heard, like, at the beginning of the interview, you were a little bit nervous in voice, but then you got more confident further into the podcast. But I do prefer myself, like, podcasts which are like 30 minutes. Yeah. But it seems like it has good quality content, but it seems also be inspired by, like, YouTube video you made, which was, you know, about how to work on Twitter.
Yeah, okay.
So yeah, that was nice.
Awesome.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
What are we doing today? Well, yeah, we said we were going to fix some of the settings menu because you came up with some ideas yesterday.
Right. Yeah, because Clara's been working on the settings menu.
I worked on the settings menu.
I've not been working on it, so
no.
I guess it's working.
Yeah, it does actually work.
Yeah.
I just gotta. You doubting me, Krister? Yeah. You doubting me?
Well,
me and Brackies were working together.
Why? You replaced me with Brackies now?
Yeah, I did. Well, he was a bit on YouTube and static, so. Just turn. See, it's a settings menu, and you can change the volume now, so we can have a muted volume, even though I know there's a mute audio up there.
Well, that's quite nice.
Yeah.
But was it like you had to actually make a build to see if everything worked?
Yeah, I mean, like I can't see this full screen. That won't work.
Yeah. Okay.
But I did debug log and saw that it was turned. No, wait a second. If I minimize, wherever it did, if you go somewhere, is it level manager or something? It was somewhere you see when it turns on and off.
All right.
So I can't remember where it is again, but it's somewhere. So I already tested that. Don't worry. And the resolution obviously does not work. You got the same as me, where it goes onto that one on the ultra wides.
I guess maybe I locked the game to 16:9, or have we not?
Yeah, I was 16:9. We've locked it to that. But
it
was only on this. It was only on this ultra wide screen. On the smaller one, that was 920 by 1080. So. Okay, we have 2 doggo redeems.
Hello, Bruit. How you doing this morning?
Bruit. Always before some devs. I mean, you guys have just redeemed a 2-in-1 package of doggo cuddles. Does that mean both of us need to go and cuddle?
I need Morris as well.
Oh, Winky is ready for cuddles. Morris, come on.
Morris, come on. Blink it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I forgot to put it down to dogs. Sorry. There you go. Oh, he's so cute. Moritz is upset about these doggo snuggles. He's unsatisfied. I can see the unsatisfaction. I need to sort this out.
Wow, what's wrong?
You're gonna have to do Winky, and I'm gonna have to do Muffins.
No, somebody gotta stay responsible here. So, how are you all doing today? Hello, Bizmaster Studios. Nice to have you back again. Double snuggle trouble. I like that. Oh, what are you up to today, guys? What's Bruit doing? What's C doing? What's Bizmaster doing? I know Blue Goo, he is, you know, he's getting ready for having his family time.
What's Morris up to? What's Winky up to?
Well, we know that story. We know that story.
You know that story?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Winky. You want to go into you want to have a baby?
Working on the game demo, right? How's that progressing? And I don't remember Bismaster Studio. What type of game are you working on? And Z is drinking coffee, watching you, as every time. He got his priorities straight. You know, I just like set aside time Saturday morning to have some nice time.
Yeah, you got the nice music from the game.
And Nick might be feeling upset I didn't ask him.
Nick, what are you doing? Look, see, this is an ultimate Karen channel.
How is this? Brute is eating nachos with Nutella.
What? I gotta try that. I have got to try that.
I did not know that nachos could combine with Nutella. That's crazy.
Yeah, you enjoyed
Yeah, Nick's probably making croissants, am I right?
Have you seen this Schnuggles?
Same as Z. Right, they got your coffee. I got my tea, so I'm also happy.
This is satisfied more Schnuggles.
Uh-huh.
He's looking at me now.
Yep. Beastmaster is a story exploration driven turn-based RPG in a sepia Game Boy palette. Well, that sounds cool. That sounds cool. Hey, do you have a link to that? I want to see more. Nick's not upset. That's good. Do you still have like 2-minute delay on us chatting, or is it better today?
Guys, game dev time. It's game dev time.
Oh, I think I remember now, Beastmaster Studios. Yeah,
you actually
maybe.
booped it.
Yes, because I've been on your Twitch page a couple of times. I just open it up on my laptop now.
Night. Okay, now I'm back. Doggos is satisfied. Thank you, Bruid and Z, for redeeming some ultimate Doggo Snuggles. The Doggos are very happy.
Yes, alright.
And I'm happy, and I'm ready for game dev. Okay, I'm not 12 enough again. Whee! Yeah. Winky's upset she hasn't got more Doggo Snuggles. Yeah, so we were gonna fix the master volume and things like that.
Thanks for the itch link.
Itch.
Check this out. This is what he's working on. Apprentice of Artia.
Oh.
Old school turn-based JRPG. Right. Back to business. Back to business. So, one thing we wanted to fix with this settings menu was we wanted multiple volume sliders.
Yeah, you did. Well, you wanted it, yeah.
Didn't you want it?
Yeah, I did. I'm just going to disable the template here. It's not necessary.
Okay, you can just click on the eye. You know, instead of disabling, you can click on the eye there.
Oh, yeah. I forgot that. Well, it doesn't need to be on anyway, but yeah, okay.
It needs to be on, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't. It'll be off, but I'll use the little eye thing. Okay.
Yeah.
So
you don't break the game in the process. And good morning, Friar. How you doing today?
Friar. So one for music and one for sound effects, something like that?
Yeah, that's what we're thinking. So you have a little bit more individual control. Because we have in the audio mixer been hooking up the different sounds to... We actually have ambience, effects and music.
Yeah.
So I think it's maybe nice to... I don't know if you need ambience and effects separately.
I don't know. I'm not sure whether you can get away with that or not. Oops. Oh, I'm gonna have to make it smaller. No, wait a second.
Maybe go into 2D mode might be
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that.
Yeah.
I did that on my PC, so I don't always do the same one. There you go. It can be off. What on earth?
When you're adjusting the yellow one, you're adjusting the margins.
I know. There you go. Now it's happy. Nope, it's okay. Fine, I'll make you smaller, Dan.
Complicated. Why couldn't we just have it center aligned like it was?
Yeah, I could have done that. I don't know why I did this. Okay, let me just do this. And yeah, master volume.
Yeah, that'll be alright. But maybe not master volume. Maybe it's like music volume and then
music volume.
Because how many sliders are we gonna have? Two.
Okay. Music volume. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna make it smaller. I don't like how big it is. There you go. So.
Nice.
I'm just gonna
cram them a bit more together.
No, I probably should actually expand this.
Alright, yeah, we can do that.
I'm gonna do that, I think. And then move this back up and down.
Right.
There you go. Okay, now I can do this. Just move that down and then duplicate. Whee! And then just, yeah. It's gonna get...
Brute says we can disable wrapping when the text goes like underneath each other.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it's not necessary in this scenario. But it's nice to know.
I didn't realize that. Yeah. Or overflow. Oh,
Yeah, it has overflow.
Overflow, yeah.
Ellipsis
Enabled,
more. Yeah.
disabled, okay.
It's good to know. The settings are there.
The settings are there. Clarice didn't know it. Yeah, so you see here, I got the set volume here.
Mm-hmm.
And we can do the same here, I think.
Right.
I'm just trying to... Chris's thing is way too small. There you go. Because you got to go into the audio mixer.
Yeah.
There's like this little thingy here. And you see I got exposed parameters. We need to do the same on these ones.
All right.
So I just put it on master for the time being. I should probably put it on soundtrack, the other thing. Then you do right click here, expose volume of soundtrack.
Okay.
And then you can do the same as well for effects. Oh shoot, wrong one. Ah, there you go. And then I just gotta open the right script now.
We also need for ambience then.
Probably.
But can we then have one slider control two of them, or do we need an intermediary script to deal with it?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh, I think maybe we can do both. We better expose that one then.
I'll expose that as well. Expose all of them.
Maybe have an intermediate value. Yeah, exactly. Like, do we need that, or can we get away with it? Because I think maybe you can hook up multiple events.
Which is why I was a bit like, shouldn't we just have like master and
music?
And music.
But that'd be weird if one affects the other.
True that, I hadn't thought about that. Yeah. So now I need to try and get into that script because I think I need to do changes on it.
I don't think so. If you scroll down here.
Yeah.
No, to where the actual thing is happening.
There you go, volume slider here.
Yeah. You can click the plus. So on value change, we can change multiple things.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the script itself.
Oh, is it a script you wrote? Okay, you wrote the script. I didn't know it was a script you wrote.
Me and Brackies wrote a script.
Right, I feel so replaced when you were working on this.
Because this is only set in the volume, and I can't remember if that was just
audio mixer dot set float volume. Okay.
So where did I set it? It's just audio mixer. I think we have to. I'm not sure. Do we need to rename these exposed parameters? Yes, that was it. I had to rename these.
All right.
So if I rename that one, volume soundtrack. There you go.
Yeah, what about just calling it soundtrack?
Nah.
Okay.
Nah. No. Volume effects.
Yeah. I'm making progress. Good morning, Shreddy.
Good morning, Shreddy Nut.
Yes, good to have you back.
Bind UI to property and the property to handle a change of 2 might be different levels. You change for the ratio. You and who? Didn't get it.
Well, who being Brackies?
Oh.
And Bisman Studio, if you wonder who Brackies is, I can give you. He's infamous in Unity.
Brackies. So all this old tutorial
It's a really handsome, bearded Danish guy
who does tutorials. And that's why Chris is jealous now.
And I'm so jealous. I mean, do I got that fancy keyboard? Do I got that nice beard? And that swish Brackies logo?
We need to have a Snuti logo now.
Yeah.
And you need to do tutorials more, Krister.
Apparently so. I mean, look at the crazy guy on the right there. Huh? What? Yeah, okay. Back to business.
He was wearing a Christmas hat in the one for the settings menu as well.
Shrednut asks us how we're doing. We're doing good, and Shrednut wants to redeem the final doggy cuddle.
Uh-oh. We've had doggy cuddles in just 20 minutes of the stream. Yeah. Clay, you need to allow Christian to grow a beard again.
Yeah.
No. This is bad juju. No, it's bad juju. You can see he has a beard in this picture. Yeah, and it's scary. He's secretly Moritz in disguise.
Makes me too smiley, does it?
Yeah, it does make you too smiley.
All right.
It's scary.
Pint's redeem need to be able to time out.
Hope you're listening to it.
Yeah, that's a good point. Like, there should be like a time limit between it.
It's just like, in the last 30 minutes, all of them redeemed. You can redeem them again in the next 30 minutes.
But guess what? You are the lucky chosen ones to have more snuggles.
Oh, yeah. Chris is just like purring in the background.
Yeah. Like, I'm enjoying the cuddle just as much as they are. They're so sleepy in the morning.
I know you are. Shreddiness is so cute. Yeah, they're cute. Winky's upset about this.
Like, you really don't want to give me my snuggles? Come on, seriously. Give me my snuggles. Snuggles.
Yeah, both dogs have voices. Winky is unsatisfied, Chris. Look at that unsatisfied chihuahua. Even Morris is like, yo, that was a pretty unsatisfactory snuggle. I agree there. See, Winky is now...
Can you face me back towards you guys? I don't like you anymore.
Hope she doesn't start farting. That'll be bad juju.
That would be bad juju.
Mm-hmm.
Very bad juju.
Right, back to business.
Back to business. So, we
Blue
have...
Game says kitties.
We have this set volume.
Yes.
And you can see how it works here.
Mm-hmm.
We go into the settings menu here and we have a dynamic float.
Mm-hmm.
So it changes. So we need to make another class here for those.
So probably make two functions, one for set ambience or music, and one for setting the other
That's
effects.
what I'm thinking. So we're not going to call this. We're going to call this music volume, effects volume. Yeah. So I'm going to call this one set music volume, and then we're going to set volume soundtrack here.
Yep.
And that will work. I don't think I need to do anything else because we've done the audio mixer up here, guys.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, I love how I like do like
pointing on
here.
the physical
no,
screen.
See, look at my screen.
Yeah.
And then we'll also make another one.
Life is hard for you, Claire.
Life is hard for me. Yeah, it will. Thank you very much. And then we'll put here. Oh, what you? Okay, there you go. Effects.
By the way, did you change something, Christer? You look 10 years younger. You won't believe it. This is the Snaps cam running, and it has this like, make it look nice even when there's no filter on. So yeah,
we're both the same age now. So
yeah,
it's scary.
Makes our like eyes clear and skin smooth. I feel so cheesy with it.
Yellow Lupo.
But it made the colors nicer, so I approve. Hello Lupo, how you doing?
Remember, drink your tea, guys.
Perks of shaving. Yeah, that's what shapes the 10 years off, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm wondering whether I can do this.
That's exactly what we're supposed to do.
Think it'll work?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking we were going to do.
Okay. So
Lupo is all good.
All good.
So now I can go into this one. So now I need to change.
Mm-hmm. Probably not hooked up anymore.
No, it's having a little. Okay, there you go. It's having a little hissy fit. Yeah. Now it's just like it's missing. Oh! And I'm like, nope. There you go. Music volume there, and
we have a request afterwards.
Oh gosh. Did I set? Which one did I set now? Did I set that on the right one? I need to put this.
And thank you for following the Snuti journey, Saltwit.
Thank you for following. Was it?
Yes. Nick wants us to turn those strings we wrote into consts, so we don't have string references floating around. But you know what?
But there are floats, so they can float around.
We're using them like one place.
One place.
We're not going to use them anywhere else in the source code.
Yes.
I think
that's our excuse.
They can be strings. If you're going to use them multiple places, yeah, we should replace them with consts, but it's one place.
Krista says no.
Yeah, sorry, Nick. I would agree if it was reusable.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to maximize on play.
Brute wondered how we can turn on the snap filter. Well, the thing is, actually, I don't know. Because I thought I set up a component in Twitch, which makes you guys be allowed to click on it and do things, but I guess that's not working. I should open myself and have a look, actually. So I forgot to look at it last stream.
Yeah, so the soundtrack went down. Chris is not looking, you see?
That's working.
That one's working. I'm just going to watch the effects now, because you got to see here. Ambience and effects. Yeah, both of them worked at the same time.
That is nice. Yeah, I'm way too much fun for that. I don't understand why this is not working. I'm gonna switch to laptop. So you can see here, we got this component here for Snapcam.
Oh yeah, okay.
And clicking on that does nothing.
What about the little like configure button, coggy cog?
I looked at it and I was like, add to my channel, which obviously it is, build an extension and report extension.
But then maybe something's not working here.
And I thought you're supposed to show up many filters, because we have more favorites than that.
The Wii's really loud, so I'm gonna turn that down.
Yeah, I don't know why.
So, because you isn't it like this one type of thing?
Yes. That's what I'm expecting to see, right? And the funny thing
and it works on Winky.
Yeah. Winky. Quiet, Winky. Winky, come.
My hair was long enough to be tied back completely, top and side, and of course no barbers are open, so I took some shavers and I did it too.
Life as a chihuahua can be quite tough. Yeah.
So now you're properly shaven then, shredding it. Krister's also suffering from he needs to go to the hairdresser. He's got curly hair now. And Winky has a double unicorn.
Yeah,
what?
I think it's a bug for dogs. Blue Goo Games on how long is the stream? I will work in my tool shed. Tool shed and watch with half an eye. That sounds nice.
We normally stream until about 10, so
10, 11-ish, like 2 to 3 hours somewhere. That's our average.
Oh yeah, Nick already responded to that.
Yeah, Nick's ahead of the game.
And Z was going to me changing all the volumes. They're wrong.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we're a bit behind, aren't we?
We are. Winky, you should get your unicorn on.
You get your unicorn on.
Oh,
she looks so sleepy. Right.
Yeah. It's just use the same filter for our Snapchat. Can't change yours. That's so weird.
Yeah, that is strange. I don't know why it doesn't work better. And this, by the way, is why I wanted to. Winky, this again. She doesn't want to go now. This again. All right.
There you go.
I really want to figure out how we could do some, programming for a Snap thingy, so I could like hook it up to the Stream Deck and push buttons.
And then we can be like weird freaky strawberries.
No.
How do we change it back to the other one? I'm not sure now.
You just click on it again, I think, to remove it.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
We're done now. We're done now.
Yeah.
A full year of growing it out and it's all gone. Oh, shredding it. Is there a beard filter? Yeah, but it only works on one person and not two.
Yeah, and I've gone through the filters and figured out which works on two people.
Because I didn't want to stand in front of the camera whilst Krista was doing it, so Krista took a photo of me
and had her
put it on his phone, and I'm just like
holding the phone up. Anyway, we were doing game dev.
And we managed to fix our volume sliders.
And Sapphire Train, hello. How you doing today?
Hello. We fixed some sound effects.
Oh yeah, I didn't see she sent the emoji further up as well. We were a bit busy.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's fine.
It's a hat. It's because it's a black hat on a black background.
Mm-hmm.
That was hard.
I was gonna say there's should be a Mr. Pips filter, but you already got one, yeah. It's a bit of a freaky
I think our Mr. Pips filter might look a little bit cuter.
Things you can make your own filters.
Yeah, we can have Mr. Pips jumping around instead.
So if I get the integration working, maybe I'll start playing around and make my own filter.
Friar, that very filter was demonic.
It was.
Yeah, it was.
It was very demonic. That's working.
Yeah, I need to do some adjustments to it.
Yeah, because we're not happy with what's loud and what's quiet.
Yeah.
Does anybody know that? Because, decibels is logarithmic, and we have hooked this up to be like from, is it -60 to 0 or to 10?
Yeah, well, it's like on one of them I did that.
Yeah.
If I just stop playing.
But do we need to run it through something to make it linear scale from like 0 to 1?
I don't know. Because I got here, like if you have the... how can I just test the music? I think I just gotta press play.
Sapphire Train says, I'm doing good. Today was decision day to pick out college. That
sounds exciting.
Very exciting and intense.
Yes.
Hope that went well. And
is it like you gotta choose them like online?
It feels like such a blind pick. I remember when I had to choose university, I was like, I got 3 choices here. I'm approved for all of them. I'm going with the one with the C. This one has a speech. Go. And that's where I met Claire.
And I got declined by one of them, which was like the easiest university to go in. They were like, no, we're not accepting you. And I was like, well, I didn't want to go to you anyway. You were my last resort.
Yeah.
I got those. Because when I do, you can see here.
If I Google this.
Okay, Krista.
Unity audio source linear. It already came up with some suggestions.
That's not suggestions. Audio roll-off mode?
No, roll-off is by distance, I think.
I picked my local college and we'll be doing engineering science. Oh, that is awesome.
That is nice, yeah.
That's really cool.
I guess not computer engineering? Or what type of engineering?
Maybe computer engineering. Yeah. I don't know. What type of engineering? Sapphire Train. I picked the university closest to me mainly because I'm lazy. But then I realized I just love the city I lived in. Well, no, to be honest, I picked the university which was just like 30 minutes away from my hometown. I had a beach and it was really nice. I chose that and I did not regret it. So
Swansea was a good choice.
Swansea was a good choice. Thank you for the follow. Oh, San123.
Thank you.
Or Sosan123. Sosan. Yeah, so you can see here, Krister. Yellow.
Yes.
You can see here the music, for example.
Well, if I go back to desktop, sorry.
You can see here, like, if you get to here, you don't hear it anymore.
No, there's like really off.
It's like minus 30 there.
Minus 4. No, okay, minus 30.
I got minus 40 there. It's minus 30.
We live in Tønsberg in Norway.
Yes. In Norway.
In Norway's oldest town, actually.
Yes. Actually, yes, it is. It is called Norway's oldest town. When you come in, it says it's Norway's oldest town.
And have a nice weekend. Thank you for cheering on us, Point Separator.
Thank you, Point Separator. Thank you for the 100 bits.
So generous.
Yes. We hoping you're having a nice weekend too.
Yeah.
And thank you for joining us.
Yeah. So glad to have you here.
Yeah. We're like happy people. We're happy people. Okay, I'm going to try that one out now. Love how I'm just messing around with sounds.
Yeah. I just think there should be some way to convert decibels to linear. Has anybody played around with like volume things?
That's why everyone's silent. Everyone's like...
Nobody's played around with volume in Unity.
They're like, we're watching you guys, the guinea pigs.
Hello, Brainoid Games. Good to see you today. How are you doing?
Hello. And Sapphire Train at the end of college, I want to be an environmental engineer.
He has... Alright.
That sounds really, really interesting.
That is fascinating.
What does that entail? Like, environmental engineering, is that like cleaning up the environment or just engineering to help the environment? I'm curious.
But anyway, Brainoid Games says he has played around with volume. What we're looking for is, the volume scale goes from, for example, minus 50 decibels to plus 10 decibels. And that's like a logarithmic scale, so it feels weird when you drag the slider. It like halfway it's like almost quiet, and then halfway there it's like, you don't hear anything.
I think I found a good one, but yeah.
Yeah, but that's on this speaker. For example, if you're on a headset, you can hear
No, but I did the same yesterday on the headset.
Right.
Yeah, and it was exactly the same as the speaker. It's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chris is not happy with this.
I did once, but forgot the math. Alright.
I'll be fine. I gotta get rid of one of these things. I don't like it. Just like here.
Might be just my impression.
I think it's Chris's impression.
Maybe
Krister isn't always right. The thing is, Bracky's managed to get to like 0 to 1, but I think it's like you can change the values here.
I'm
not
Claire,
sure.
I just found something here.
Oh, Krister found something. I don't believe him. Yeah? What is it?
So, here, somebody says that you can go into your audio group, click on the attenuation level in the inspector and click expose, and here is something called linear. But maybe
it's already on linear snapshot.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. But it's already on linear.
Okay. And thank you for following Working 9 to 5.
Thank you for the follow. I'm just gonna... All of them are linear, so...
Okay.
But I think maybe you can, I don't know, change this. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it be.
Okay.
Because it works.
Okay.
And Nick has linked to a Wikipedia article about logarithm inverse.
Yeah, exactly. Because that's what I'm wondering. Do we need to run it through
I think we might...
a reverse logarithmic function to...
I think we might need to put it into English.
Oh, okay, this is in Dutch. I was wondering if it was in Norwegian for a second, but no, that's Dutch.
I want to build and help out on solutions to make a more sustainable living. That is awesome, Sapphire Living. Sapphire Train. I said living, I'm sorry. Yeah. I never had the exponential issue, it shouldn't work like that by default.
Okay, maybe it's just my ears and we don't have a proper speaker. We can investigate this another time.
Might be better in English. Well, at least Wiki has a quick switcher for language, so.
Yeah.
I made my first actual project in Node this weekend. It was good fun and I learned a lot. That is awesome. What did you make in Node?
I really enjoy working with Node myself. It's a lot of fun, but I even enjoyed it even more when I integrated TypeScript.
Yes, you did.
It was really nice to work with it that way when you used to like C# and strict types and stuff like that.
I'm going to. Oh shoot! I didn't mean to click the asset store. Okay, I'm gonna be bringing up this. There you go.
So what's our plan here? What's our plan?
Yeah, I was gonna do that. So done that now. And I need to fix the transparency in the bottom of it another time.
Friar says he's sharing it non-linearly too. Are you talking about through our stream? Because that probably will be a bit
very weird,
wonky. But do you mean in your own Unity editor? Maybe yes. Can I share links? Yeah, you can share links. Yes. I have it on Heroku, but generates placeholder images to specific dimensions through every image of it is Brad Pitt. What on earth did I accept? Oh, okay, it's the Node project. What am I looking at? Well, that's fabulous.
Node.js or Node-based programming through your stream. Friar is hearing it non-linearly through the stream. Yeah, okay. Yep. Yeah.
Well, we won't accept through the stream as an answer. I'll have to listen with headphones later and try to see if I can tweak it.
You're so mean!
What?
You're so mean!
Okay, thank you, Friar.
Friar is trying to help, and Chris is just like, we won't accept that as an answer. That's how mean. Chris is mean today. Chris is mean. Yes, so we have all these stuff we're gonna do.
Right, so we're trying to.
We got lots of stuff to do. We can do our Polish panda. Polish panda.
We also have the boar sounds in Autumn Scene.
We do. We did sounds last time, didn't we?
Well, it was a lot of fun, wasn't
it? Do we want? Okay, guys, we're gonna do a poll again.
Mm-hmm.
Should we add a dragon? Should we do sound effects? Or should we, I don't know, what else should we choose, guys? You got the entire list in front of you.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's a third option here.
Make more particle effects? I love particle effects.
Invisible walls? Well, that's a poor
We
one.
love our invisible walls.
We can work on some story.
Well, we can add the story in, but that's boring. Boring.
Not if we come up with it on the spot.
Well, no, we're not going to visit. This is the final cutscene story, something new.
No, I was thinking about like Mr. Pepsi's friend or something like that.
Oh, I mean that.
Yeah, but it might be a bit hard.
That's hard.
Yeah, okay, we only have two options then, don't we?
We do, yeah, we do.
Okay, then I'm going to start the poll with two options. The poll's running.
I love the fact everyone's like, add a dragon, boar wings, add a dragon. Okay, well, if we add in a dragon, you know, guys, I'm just going to be using what I found on is it Coturnius? Coturnius? Yeah. Of a dragon.
This poll did not work out in our favor. These are all very good suggestions. Add a dragon.
This is why we love Threeb.
Or the boar with wings. Did we decide we want to go with a boar from the asset store? No.
No. We decided to have Coturnius as little mini dragon.
Oh, right. In Code Games, thank you for following.
Don't add the actual dragon, only add the sound of it. There you go. No.
See, Braindoid is thinking. That's how we can do work on SFX. With the dragon.
No. I'm trying to find out which browser you want to use, Christo.
Just use with Firefox, it's fine.
Okay, you had stuff open, that's fine.
Yeah, no biggie. Just pull it out.
Oops. Pully. Quaternius.
Or is this where I should start advertising Vivaldi again? And have like, feeling angry with Nick moment where he uses Chrome. And I feel he's a power user too.
Come on, I use Chrome. I could use every single browser. I love my browsers. Browsers loves here, guys. So I saw it the other day, and I think I shared it. We can have a dinosaur. We can have a T-Rex. We can add our T-Rex in again.
We already have a T-Rex.
Shoot. See, it's a little mini dragon. See, and he's animated as a mini dragon. Since okay. I think we Did we have what one?
The dragon one.
The dragon one, okay. Yeah. So we have this animated little flying dragony impy thing. I think this is good enough. We're so lazy. Ooh, we got nice. We can have a whale. Oh.
Yeah, okay, don't get carried away now. Hold your horses. Just get the one asset you need.
We can have a Stegosaurus.
We had a set of that little dragons.
Fat little dragons. I'll accept it, but you need to do the voiceovers, Claire. I will do the voiceovers. I will do the voiceovers, of course.
Awesome.
I just wonder what type of voiceovers you want. You want like, I don't know. What would the dragons make?
Well, you're pretty good. I was more thinking about a growl, but you know, yeah.
No, I think the other one was better. So
little squeaky dragon, is it?
Little squeaky dragon.
Sounds good.
I heard that the other day. I don't know why I heard it now. It's bothering me. Okay, how do I download this now?
Just grab the FBX.
The FBX. What
Go into the FBX one.
Okay, let's go into this one.
Don't think we need the rest of it.
I don't think so. We need a dragon.
Yeah, just that one. Dragon FBX. Go. They're making Skyrim.
That would be good for a dragon boar. A dragon boar.
We have a suggestion from the asset store. Yeah, it was this one. You know?
Oh yeah, but they look too realistic. And come on, guys.
Well, if you toon shaded them. But it is a really good suggestion though, because they look a bit more like the boar.
They look more like the boar, yeah. They look like the fat dragons in How to Train Your Dragon.
Because it would be this variant of them, and then try to. It'd be nice if they had like two different things so you could like toon shade it. I like how this game is changing.
It was really good, actually.
Okay, so it got Nick's and C's recommendation.
Well, what did?
This asset that we're looking at.
Okay.
This one. Do you want to try that one out, or should we go with the one we downloaded?
Well, the thing is that at least I can download from the asset store, right?
Yes.
It's an asset store thing.
It's called Dragon, the Soul Eater, and
we
Dragon
see
Boar.
Both Dragon, the Soul Eater, and.
I think you're fine with that. You don't need to.
No, it didn't come up.
Click enter. It'll come.
There you go. This.
Wasn't me. Think it was Bruit. All right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think it was Bruit who suggested that. Because we were talking about dragons.
But he had to try it out when he saw it, yeah.
Yeah, I think everyone does.
Because I don't see how dragons belong in your game, Z. Neither of your games I know you're working on.
Oh no, Ryan needs it on his game, little people.
No, it does not need to go into little people. I searched it in Discord. It was on my birthday. Yeah.
Yes.
That's true.
Tried it in the LD46.
Oh yeah, the LD46 that you never submitted. Okay. I get it.
Should have made him Mr. Pips. Let's vote on his game.
Oh, the LD game he's talking about probably.
Let's not talk about LD46. There's a sore subject here.
Yeah, apparently so.
It's downloading. It's taking its sweet time. I can probably drag in the other one. I think I have my own Quaternius area. There you go.
Yeah.
So I can probably drag his in here. Hello. There you go. We got a dragon.
He's kind of cute.
He does. He doesn't have his color because I didn't download it.
No, we go with materials and turn it off because we want to color him ourselves.
We want to color him ourselves. Okay. Import materials. Oof.
Apply.
There you go. He's now a flat dragon.
He's a very naked dragon.
Flat dragon has a naked dragon. The encrypting package. It's probably going to slow down the stream, so.
I think it won't be that bad. Don't worry, we got enough cores.
Just love how we're going to add in the dragon in it. Finally.
Well, we already have a dinosaur, so might as well.
Might as well. Let's go.
But the question is, how should it be presented in the game? Should it be flying around?
No, we said it was going to be the end, and that's getting rid of all of the ice cubes.
Oh, like, you mean...
Well, the fact that, remember we had that area at the end of the winter area, where like all of them melt, and it made no sense why they were melting, and we were deciding, we should have a dragon there. Why?
Oh, that'd be so weird, though.
No, it's not going to be weird.
I'm trying to make sense for the player. Like, why did the player spot the dragon there?
Because dragons are cool. They're cool, man. They're cool. And there's nothing else in the world. There's no humans. You've got to have something.
There's a cabin, which indicates humans.
It could also be the dragon hut.
Oh, that's the dragon hut.
It's a conspiracy theory here right now.
I see our computer is lagging a little bit now.
Yeah. Give it 2 seconds, please.
And it off. I hope the audio still works. Yep.
It does not like important.
This was a really good asset pack at slowing down the computer. Let's check the bitrate if it's still alive. Yeah, the bitrate is happy, so, you know.
What CPU
we're running on a
running?
Ryzen 370 or 3700 or something.
Maybe I shouldn't have imported
Not the
all of them.
awesome one.
No.
The cheaper Ryzen 7 ones.
Stream is A-okay.
That is good. Glad to see it.
Wait, Winky is a bit lonely over there.
Oh.
You should be really upset about your doggo snuggles earlier. Also, waiting for this import, I'm gonna go snuggle. Because Krista is doing unsatisfactory doggo snuggles.
And dog cam it is.
You upset? You're upset, aren't you? Huh? Okay, I know I'll cheer both of you up.
Oh, are you getting treats now? Oh yeah, lucky little doggies. I'm gonna start clicking some of these buttons in our thingy. Are multiple cores utilized in Unity? I'm pretty sure that Unity is quite optimized for multi-core, etc. But there might be some single-threaded things like what's going on right now.
Oh.
But who knows?
Oh, she's not booping on camera.
What? She booping off cam?
She's booping off camera. Boop.
Yeah.
Boop, boop. Yeah, thank you. Now she's happy. Okay, Maurice?
Suddenly they woke up.
Maurice? Heal up. Heal up. Kinky, super.
What a quality team we got going on there.
And here you go. Satisfactory doggo snuggles incoming. Is it finally finished importing? Yay!
It is.
No lollygagging.
They announced they're going to have async loading of assets, but I guess it will be the next version. I don't know. Oh yeah, I remember actually that. That's a good point, Brainoid. Yeah, that's going to be really neat how much better performance you're going to get on asset import. And it just finished now. And
No,
this is...
no.
All right. Right.
She needs to get her time to shine. Really nice and cozy when you do. You gotta.
She can never get enough snuggles.
Yeah, I'm here.
She's such a cuddly dog.
Hello. Oh, there's a nose coming in here. Oh, you both are just the best doggos ever. You know that. Yeah. Winky, what have you been eating now, huh? Oh. If you don't have any more doggo motivation, and if this is the doggo motivation you get. There you go. I'm done now.
Okay, you done?
Yeah, Winky, I'm done. Wait. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done.
They should voice act the dragon, the dogs. Well, that'd be quite interesting now, wouldn't it?
I'm a dragon.
I'm trying to figure out which of them is which, because we want specifically, is it this one?
I guess so. We just got to have a look at the models.
Yeah, but that's the thing. They are broken because, or maybe we can go like.
What was broken?
You can see here when I go into prefabs, Dragon Boar, they all look like this because they probably haven't updated their.
Can you refresh?
No. It's lightweight render pipeline.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So I mean, if we open up then we can fix them.
Well, this says Dragon Boar.
Yeah, I think that's maybe the one without wings.
Oh.
Right, and then you have the Soul Eater, which I guess is the one with the flamey throat.
No, that's not the scene.
Just press P so we can open it up like this. There we go. Okay, that one has wings.
This has wings.
Yeah.
But do they open up? Is it animated? That's the question.
Yeah, it should be.
Should be. Oh, it's got animators. Yeah, it should be. Think you can load assets async with addressables?
Right, but we are not going to be implementing addressables just to load these assets. But that's quite cool. I guess that's for like doing it in game. There should be. I want to click here. There should be skinned mesh. Yeah, this thing is what needs to be fixed.
Okay.
Right, so that needs to be switched to. I think also if we reveal it. Let's see, there.
Yeah.
We click
There you
on
go.
these ones.
Came up, yeah.
If we do that, there's a button up here to Render pipeline, lightweight render pipeline, upgrade selected materials.
Okay.
Proceed. That's what I want to do. Take a look at that.
It looks shiny.
Yes, he's two-dimensional.
He's in 2D. he looks...
Yes, maybe that's not the one you wanted.
No.
Let's see. It's probably these guys. If we now right-click on these and refresh or re-import. There we go. Which color?
There you go. Change to metallic, probably.
Yeah, it seems very shiny.
Just seems shiny.
Should we go with the blue one? Like this guy?
Yeah, why not? We like blue. We like blue.
But yeah, we should probably fix...
This is a specular, yeah.
Yeah, that thing, it seems a bit crazy.
Yep.
Okay. We're good.
We're good. So it's this one. So it's the Soul Eater blue. So if we need to go to wintertime then. It's in the wrong area.
It's getting dangerous in wintertime.
It's getting dangerous. Hello. Oh yeah, well, I'm probably disable the thingy to start first.
Oh yeah, because we had that launching.
Which is in the code, I believe. Just gotta figure out where it is.
The outro. Oh.
Let's see. There's a to-do here. I'm gonna search for to-do.
This is the wrong script.
Is it?
Yeah.
Cutscene outro.
No, wait a second. This is it. Yeah, this is it.
No, there's no to-do.
Yeah. Okay, but anyway, at start.
There is a to-do to delete. So I don't think this is the right one.
I deleted a line earlier.
Oh gosh, Chris has deleted something
But
earlier.
it was already commented out.
Yeah, well, of course. No. Let me have a look. Let me just go to the cutscene. Chris has been messing with things again, guys.
Yeah, but take a look in the Git and you'll see what it is.
No. I need to figure out where. Oh my gosh, where on earth am I?
Turn fog off.
There you go. Where? Oh, I'm in. Okay, hello there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's just click on this one. That'll tell me where the script is, surely. On start. No. Where is it? Outro. There you go. Cutscene outro. It was that. Has Krista been deleting stuff again? I'm just gonna go into the Git. I don't like when Krista deletes stuff.
Can't stand commented lines. Well, you know, they're not supposed to be there.
Yes.
Yeah, but it says to do delete this line.
Yeah, well, to do delete this line once we finish with it. Not that we haven't finished the cutscene yet.
Oh. Okay, then you just right click and restore it.
I'm gonna do that. This can't change.
I'm sorry. I was just like, let's fix it.
Okay, I'm gonna leave a comment to do. Delete this line once we have finished the cutscene.
Right, it needs an explanation. Otherwise I just go around and start deleting it.
Curious, what's the size of the scene file?
I'm also curious. I have no idea.
I don't know. I have no idea. It's probably humongous.
It's not that big, but it has a lot of assets.
So if I play now, then it should be starting in the cutscene, hopefully.
Yeah.
If it does... 10 hours later.
Now how to go change, thanks. What? Did we make you spill your coffee or something? I think we're innocent in this matter.
Yeah. Where are... Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that works. So now we need to get our little dragons in. So now we realise the cutscene no longer functions. Did I actually... I don't know. Did I press save here? Yeah, okay, so it is there. Okay, that's fine. So, yeah, we wanted to have a little dragon here. What does that sound?
Just me drinking.
No, it's a weird little, like, sound in the background.
That's a fan and a laptop fan.
I don't like fans. Fans are evil. Free dragons. Chris is like, and I'm like, sorry. Were we gonna go for this one?
I'm thinking blue.
Yeah, this is blue. This is blue. This is blue. This is the dragon board, dude. He's the dragon board. But we're gonna make him supersized.
No, that is dangerous.
Well, he's gonna be in here, and he's gonna be like. Rah!
Are you sure he doesn't look more like a toad?
He looks more like a toad. You sure you don't want to?
Z's approving of supersizing. I think it's a bad idea.
Sure. Okay, guys, it's a vote here. Do we want to have cute little one?
Oh, he's low poly. I gave him that.
Or do you want to have them? Fans should voice the dragon. Okay, enough with that.
This question is it computer fans or real life fans?
That's the question. That is the question. It's the ultimate question.
Or Twitch fans.
The low poly is obviously a much better
match for the game.
But I mean, look at him. He looks so cute.
Yeah, Beastmaster Studio is voting for the low poly one.
Yeah.
Fence.
What about fence?
Fence and fans.
Oh, fence and fans.
Must be. You guys are awesome. Thank you, Rumpelstiltskin. Stopskin. Thank you for dropping by. How you doing today?
Come on, guys. We need to decide: low poly, or the fat dude.
Because I think we need to retexture the fat dude.
Yeah, I think so. But the fat dude's gonna be like quite extensive rework here.
He looks very scary.
He does look very scary, but the other one looks super cute that you might actually want to go in the fire.
Fantastic. Just about finished my game jam. This one's so cute. Okay, that's Brutes and the Turbo Squid.
No,
but we're not going to have any more dragons.
No.
Oh, wow, this is cute.
Dragons.
Look at this, Claire.
Oh my gosh, that is adorable.
I don't think it counts as a dragon, though.
I don't think he can fly.
No, those have some...
That is adorable.
Those are some pinly wings, but that doesn't quite make sense in English.
No. What are you guys working on? Yes, what are we working on?
We are trying to put a dragon into a game which has nothing to do with dragons. It's a game about a strawberry trying to find its place in life, who's meeting up with some blueberries, and now there's a dragon there. So, you know, things happen. This is Mr. Pips.
This is Mr. Pips. He's everybody's friend. And there's also... no!
And he tumbles. And he...
I'm waiting for... There's the ice cube, and we've got an ice cube coming down. Oh, with a blue berry in there. Woo! And we start and fix this. Yeah.
I wasn't planning to fix that bug.
Really?
I was planning for you to have to finish the thingy, or we can fix it by not allowing you to mount it while it's going on.
Yeah, but the talking finished. It still happened.
Oh, really?
So it's not related to that.
Oh.
So...
Okay, then we need to fix our game.
We need to fix that.
Rumpelstiltskin loves it.
Aw, thank you so much. Oh, there we go. We can go in.
Z thinks it's pinly wings.
Hello. Oh my gosh, this looks bright in here since we fixed that thingy.
Oh, right. Yeah, we haven't seen that with the new...
No, with the new...
light in there. We need to fix that.
But that one looks really poor. Hello, poor light.
This looks all weird.
Yeah, well, we're working on it.
We need to fix the lighting in here. This is supposed to be a cave. It does not feel like a cave.
It's just gonna go past.
So it's an adventure game. Yeah, it's a bit like walk around, talk with things, find your family, and have a good time, and there's no way to die.
There's no way to die.
Only way you can die in the game is by finding a bug and getting stuck.
Yeah, pretty much.
Right.
Wow! Whee! I don't know what's supposed to... Mr. Pips is drunk today.
He's always drunk.
He's drunk too much apple juice. There you go. Here. Oh my god, that was freaky as fudge, guys!
No.
No way!
Well,
oh my god, that is freaky!
That dragon is going for it.
I'm gonna just... This is scary! Let's get a better view, shall we?
Okay.
Let's get a better view.
Are you sure you want to?
I don't know. Do I? Let's have a look.
Rumpelstiltskin loves the style.
Oh, thank you!
Do you think the dragons fit the game?
Okay, I'm jumping too much. There you go.
Some tricky platforming here.
He's even got like fire, like, what the I think we just killed him.
Killed by a stare of berry. No, he revived.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is what happens when we just import a random asset from the asset store, which we are not sure if running a random script already, probably. It seems to be busy, to say the least.
Oh my gosh, what is this dude up to?
He's showing off. Such a show off. I think we have the title.
I think we have the winner.
Or the title for today's stream.
We do. What's he doing now?
Sleeping. Having a kip. Dragons also kip.
Now he's walking on the spot. I'm just gonna have like so much fun just watching this dude now. Now he's lifting off.
He has a lot of good animations.
He has a lot of
I
good
see what you mean,
animations.
Z, that this was a good asset.
Yeah. And I love that we're gonna have to put some particle effects there. There you go. Okay, I really need to read what's happening here. Now he's flying. Looks like he's going through all of his animations. Yeah.
Yep.
Maybe it has animations placed right after each other in one animation. Probably. We haven't looked it up.
Or maybe there's a script hooked up to him.
The animator is set up to playing them all in sequence. Honestly, it kind of fits.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. But we need to. Yeah, what on earth are you doing, man? Like, you're just gonna swing and hit, swing and hit, swing and hit, swing and hit. Yeah, look at my little tail, swing and hit. Oh my god. I think we kind of have a winner just from these animations alone.
But I wonder, should we have him like in an Easter egg location?
Well, what do you mean? No, like, he's gonna have to be here, otherwise it makes no sense for the melting ice cubes.
Well, then you need to put fire out of his mouth.
Yeah, well, that's what we already planned to do.
But then, okay. I'm just thinking, you as the poor player having to walk near that fire to get out of the water. You don't.
You're not gonna go there, then, are you? Or maybe you're gonna do that and you're not a race to berry anyway. It's like, well, fine. Hey, I'm back now. Welcome back, Blue Goo.
Hi. Hope you had a nice time with your family.
Make the transform always look towards the player.
Oh, that would be even freakier. That would be very freaky.
Oh my gosh, that would be freaky.
The tracking dragon.
And Brainoid Games says simplifying the texture should be enough to make it blend.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking
true,
as well. Like, we need to fix the texture on it.
I just love the fact that the little grey dragon in there is like on the side, just like, it's just looking cute and static. While the other one's just like, swing, get away!
The dragon, he looks like a tree, actually.
Yeah, he does.
He blends in way too well.
Right, okay, I'm sorry, Quaternius, your dragon's going. This one. So let's see what he's got for his little controller, isn't it?
Alright, so he's
oh my gosh, yeah,
hooked up like that.
Yeah, so he's got idle, scream, basic attack, tail attack, fireball shoot, defend, get hit, sleep, walk, run. We don't need walk and run. Those we could get rid of.
No. But do we want him flying? No, maybe not.
He
only feels like a dragon if he's flying, though.
Well, you've got takeoff, fly float, fly fireball shoot, fly forward, fly glide, land,
maybe
die.
the fireball shoot.
Die is gone.
Let's see what the fireball shoot looks like.
How do you see it?
So I think you click play on them, can't you?
I don't know. Can you?
If you open up the animator and have him selected and in the game view, you can see them individually.
Here?
No. I'll click around. What I'm talking about is doing this.
Yeah, okay.
Here, and then if we have the animation open here,
you
can see fireball shoot and play.
It's that one.
Right?
That's one we need.
Nah, that looks too weird to repeat. What about just fly forward, fly glide? Glide would be weird.
Well, we need to have him to to shoot stuff. So
I think that.
But is he going to shoot stuff? Yeah, he needs to shoot stuff.
Yeah, but he can still like endlessly. That's gonna be so weird. That's too jumpy.
No, that's too jumpy.
Yeah, I think it's fly forward.
I think fly forward, but this one also. But the thing is, if he's going to be like staying in one position, that kind of really sucks.
Well, you want to make a path for him to fly around or something?
No, it's just going to be one area. You could make him jump down, have a big screen shake, and then focus the camera on him.
Okay, so we're making him a cutscene now. I think this is slowly just like going out of scope, but obviously solutions to make him function in the game.
Yeah. We're gonna have to do the takeoff first.
And thank you for following MLKBG Games.
MLKBG Games. Yeah. No, LB. Yeah.
all the letters.
What we need is we probably need him first to maybe have a walk animation.
Yeah.
So where's walk? Walk first.
MLK.
Then he needs to take off.
Mm-hmm.
And then he needs to fly forward.
Uh-huh.
And then he needs to go
landing. Okay, so you can use the sequencer for doing what
That's what I'm going to do, yeah.
We never used that before.
The sequencer, I just thought I would get rid of some of these
first. Not that sequencer, I'm talking about the one where you can line them all up like in a timeline.
Oh, how do you do that?
That tool exists.
Oh, it exists.
I never used it, but I've seen people use it. Always here to help, to derail the progress, sorry. Well, I think it's currently happening. Because the easiest solution is obviously just have him fly statically and breathe fire.
Yeah, I'll just have him now and just breathe fire like that.
Yeah, well, not that animation, just the flying one.
Why just the flying animation? If he's flying in one area, that looks really weird.
Because that one looks jerky. Well, if you look at the fly forward...
But the fly forward, he's got to be flying forward, otherwise it looks really weird.
It looks like he's hovering.
Winky
I like
disagrees.
the fly forward.
Winky disagrees.
And thank you for following Toaster Fuel. Where are you guys from? I'm from Norway.
And I'm from Wales.
And we live in Norway.
We live in Norway together.
Yes.
And we make dragons. No, we don't make dragons.
That tool exists, hashtag. Nick says we're from Norway.
Yeah, even the fireball one is a bit jerky, but I think that's how it's supposed to be.
Because it's supposed to play once in a while.
Yeah, but also because dragons, they do this effect where they go and then they drip back
That's a good attempt at writing Tønsberg.
Tønsberg.
There you go, Nick.
I was just like, oh, somebody spelled it right, and I was like, oh, it's us. Oh, shoot.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you. Where are you from? LKB? No, MLK. Can I call you Milk? Because it seems like milk.
Milk. Get hit. Sorry, I'm just enjoying myself here.
Yeah. Milk is approving of us calling him Milk.
Milk. Because what we could do,
yes.
We could actually have it that he's...
Oh, he's based in the US. Okay, so it's late at night for you right now.
Hello.
Hope you're enjoying your late night stream.
Yeah, with dragons.
Here it's like 9 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, Krister, attention. So I think we can do the wherever the one is. Where is it? Take off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then we can just have him do his little fly forward, and then we can have him land.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then when he lands, he can do his little
scream?
Flyball or scream. Which is a scream? What's the scream? Let's have a look at the scream. We can scream so you can put lots of fire. That's a good one. Yeah, okay. We have this, guys.
Or we could just use this one and let him stay there.
Yeah, that we could do. Would Z approve, though?
Yeah. Thomas, C, is this looking any more like what we're thinking? Now he buggered off. He was like, no, I'm not going to deal with this stuff.
Don't feel someone's on Eastern time. Yeah, so that one, Scream, is really good.
I'm here, I'm thinking.
You can also copy and paste the read-only animation keyframes and create a new animation there and edit the animation, like fix the head so it won't be that jumpy.
That is true.
But
I think that's still increasing the scope of this.
I think this one is actually quite good, so you can spread some fire and be like, but I'm just wondering, like, do we want it here? Do we want him over there? Do we want him, like...
Nick says we should move some trees out of the way.
No, but he's going to pop out like the board, be like, Bleh!
Oh, and make a few burnt down trees next to him. That's a good idea.
Oh, who said that?
Nick.
Ooh.
What if you make him this ominous creature that flies around in the background occasionally? Okay, that's what I'm thinking as well. Like, it needs some more context. But in the end, visits Miss Pips in the cabin, and he's actually a nice dragon. That is cute.
Mr. Pips was an adventure.
Oh, I like that.
I'm just expecting now the dragon to just like pop in through the cabin and be like, hello. I just have way too much fun.
Coming through the main entrance.
Hello, would you like to have coffee tonight?
Here's some coffee, I can roast it.
I'm all nice and friendly. I mean, look at me. I just need to be tone treated and pop your uncle.
Scope is what I always fail, especially in game jams. Yeah, that's the hardest thing.
Thank you for the follow.
Thanks for following.
Bell Birth 925.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm just I can't really say thank you for the follow. I was mid laugh. It's hard, man. Dragon goes, oi Pips, fancy some tea.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking as well.
Looking for a dragon fruit in the fridge. Okay. We're now adding comedy into the game. And a nice little ending to the story.
You know what?
What?
He could live in the cave.
Live in the cave?
Mm-hmm. And maybe he's trapped in the cave and he has some conversation related to him being trapped in the cave.
But what if you never see him in the cave and then you see these melting
Because
ice
that's
cubes?
a nice thing. The cave is an optional part of the game.
But then he's... Okay, but he still needs to go and melt those ice cubes.
I don't think melting those ice cubes is important. They look natural when they just float into the thingy there.
Title for the stream, Here Be Dragons.
Okay, I'm noting that down. Thank you.
Okay, so Chris...
Here be dragons. Cheers, Nick.
Krista wants to have
I've been
him.
taking notes here of stream titles.
Krista wants to have him in in here. I know. I'm just gonna be like.
Brainoid says, "You gotta place a fridge in the cave now."
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try and get this oversized dragon in the cave. Is gonna be quite the challenge, right?
We might have to resize the cave.
No, the cave does not need resizing.
Do you need help in 3D space?
No, I'm just trying to figure out where the cave starts and where the cave ends.
I know. I can wrap myself around 3D space.
Maybe he's trapped in.
No, this is working out poorly.
Okay. That's where the cave starts. I'm just gonna place him in here, and maybe this will.
Maybe he found a stray berry, and he's raising it as his own. In his own cavern, or he's raising a berry in there.
Aww.
So he's the mama bear.
He's the mama boar. He's the mama dragon boar. There you go. See, I got him here.
Mama berry.
He's the mama dragon boar. He's looking after the little mini berries, and he's gonna defrost this little berry right here. And help him out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because we have a frozen berry up there.
Frozen berry.
I'm imagining the dragon having a voice similar to Korg from Marvel movies. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Korg. He's my, he was voiced by Taika Waititi.
He was, yeah.
It was like my favorite character because he had Taika Waititi's voice. I love Taika Waititi, especially when he acts in his older movies as well. Which one was again the vampire movie? Oh,
yeah. What's it called again? Oh no!
What We Do in the Shadows.
What We Do in the Shadows.
It's such a cool movie. Sorry, I lost chat now.
And super protective about it. Yeah, all programmers will relate. The dragon is trying to help Mr. Pips. He ate the boar. That's why he's so fat. Oh, and that's why he looks like a bit of a boar. And then we have a flame shooting berry. Okay, creativity overflow. Do the next stream, and you can title it Flaming Barry. I'm going to take a toilet break.
Right.
Whilst we're discussing all of this here.
Yeah,
so
just keep the ideas coming.
Just keep the ideas coming, and yeah. This is what happens when we decide to add a dragon.
I think the dragon fits in the cave.
I think the dragon, maybe he's a bit too oversized, maybe 2.
Yeah, we might need to go a little bit down here. So, okay, that seems a bit more reasonable. But where should he be in the cave? So you enter the cave. Okay, now I'm lost again. Let's find the cave. You enter the cave through here, and you come into this wide open space. The lighting in here is terrible. We need to fix the lighting. You don't see what's walls and what's roof really. And probably, I was wondering, do we need to like make the cave wider in here so you can have like a place for the dragon to hang out? Or maybe we can make the dragon much smaller and cuter so it's not so scary, and we can like place him here. Maybe that's much more interactable if he's a bit tiny. Maybe he hangs out here. Ooh, even better. I think that's okay. Yeah, we need to fix the texture on him. He can't be this high detail, high res character. He looked a lot better on that hilltop, to be honest. You have a point, Nick. I think it's because he's so dark here compared to the rest of the cave, but if you fix the lighting, maybe? Seems out of place in the ice cave, yeah. Yeah, he looked better on the hilltop. Maybe you see a smaller one in the cave and then you go outside and meet the mama. Right, so now we're getting some logistics in here, right? FX lighting and or fixed lighting or texture. Yeah, I think we need to fix all of them. So, problem is that he has this fancy texture, which looks like this. And I would like this to be 2 colors, like 1 color for his belly and 1 color for the rest of his body. But that kind of means we need to take this into Affinity and redesign it. We're talking about the fact that he looks a bit out of place. Oh,
it does, but I'm wondering, should we just have maybe like 1 color on him, tune shade him, and see what we can do?
Yeah, that's possible.
Can we like place different materials on him, or is it just like all one mash?
I can just try. There, fixed it.
He's too. Get rid of the normal map.
A specular map.
Specular map or the normal map?
No specular. There we go.
It looks weird now.
Oh, that looks very weird. Why is the specular map going all... needs to be white maybe?
No idea.
What is... Oh, there's a normal map.
I told you it's a normal map.
Sorry, didn't see it. Okay, now it's looking terrible.
Now it looks derpy. Maybe we should throw the tune shader on here.
Occlusion map. He has so many maps.
He's mappy.
Very mappy. He has an emission map even.
He's mapped.
Alright, the mission needs to be...
less polygons on the dragon.
Seems like it's not that high poly.
No.
But we... having some issues with him.
Can we not throw the tune shader on?
We
Did I
could...
give you a piece of chocolate?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, I did.
You didn't skimp out on
I
it?
didn't skimp out.
Right. What if we... This is textures. Is there one for materials here? Yeah, we can just make a new material in here. Create material. Dragon. Throw the dragon material on him.
Yeah.
And make this use tune. This one. There.
Oh!
What?
It's looking good. No. Derpy Dorgan lost his normals.
Think there.
Okay.
And then we can just give him a color.
He needs eyes now.
Yeah, maybe he just has his eyes closed, Claire. Maybe he just has his... Yeah, we can give him a texture, and we can use this texture map to place his eyes, because his eyes is somewhere.
It's somewhere. I don't know where it is.
Is that maybe his eyes? Oh, there it is.
Is that his eyes?
Right there. That is it.
That's his eye?
I think so. So yeah, we need to use some of this texture map. That's probably his face there.
Yeah, probably.
But
what happens if we also put the normal map on back on him?
Normal map?
He had a normal map on him, remember?
This shader doesn't have it.
Ah, okay, doesn't have it, okay. He's looking up at Thorpy. They can't like throw the material onto his eye type of thing.
No, because he's only one. Or depends on how this is set up. It has size, like sometimes you have like different things in the different places. But
okay, that's just weird.
No,
that's
he has not.
No,
certainly not. Right.
Yes.
He is colored now.
Colored now.
Okay, what's chat saying?
Nothing more than what I just said. So, well, at least.
But what do you think about the idea of having the mama dragon and the baby dragon and things like that? Because it was suggested to have...
I think he's frozen and then shakes ice particles.
No, it was Brainoid, sorry.
Change his shader back to the previous one and flies out.
What happens when you try the albedo on the toon shader? Albedo? Like the color, that's what we... Isn't albedo?
Reduce the colors of albedo map and maybe smooth the normal map.
Well, obviously the toon shader doesn't have all those maps.
Crystal, you need to add that to the toon shader.
Sorry.
Well, we can probably, I don't know. Can we undo what you just did? Or do you want to leave it like this?
We can apply the other material back on it.
I mean, like, it would be probably wise for us to see what all these ones are talking about. Everyone in the chat's talking about.
Okay.
It's just...
Don't press undo, but just click on dragon and apply the right material.
But I don't know what the right material was anymore.
You'll find it in there.
In here? No, it's in the other one. Isn't it?
There you go. And it's the blue PBR, that one. Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
If we didn't break it.
Well, that's what I meant. That's what I was like undoing. But
yeah, but then you can just hook it back up again, can't you?
Well, probably. Just I don't know which one it is. Okay, wait a second. This one is the specular map. So let's just.
I don't think we need this. Do we need a specular?
Probably not. Was it
the base map? If you click on that one, that's supposed to be the albedo blue.
Albedo blue. This one.
That one. Thank you for following.
Thank you for the follow.
Leonardus the fourth.
Okay, so that did like nothing.
Really?
Yep. Oh no. Yep. Did nothing.
I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be that blue albedo there.
I'm pretty sure it is. It's not doing anything.
Is it because we have done something wrong?
Lightweight render pipeline?
No, that's fine.
Oh shoot, I'm just trying to... Chris has stopped it. It might... Smoothness? No. Specular? Maybe it's because we did something here?
It's supposed to be white.
I'm working on it. This is why you shouldn't leave Chris to doing all this stuff.
What you can do, Claire, is duplicate the green one and just hook the blue stuff up.
Or I could just drag this one on.
Okay, we fixed it.
Perfect.
What is that 300 reference? 300 reference?
300 reference?
I don't know any Sparta happening here.
Oh, for the dude up above. The
Leonardus the fourth. Sorry, yeah. I did not know that was a reference from 300. That's a long time since I've seen that movie.
Yeah. There you go. And now I hooked everything. Ah, it's ticklish. It's ticklish.
Shreddy Nut is 8:24 a.m. and all I can think about is pizza and cheesecake. That is a good start to Saturdays, I have to admit.
That is good, yeah. Thank you for the follow, Rumpelstiltskin.
Yes. No, this is just random. All right, Leonardus the Fourth.
Let's just get rid of his smoothness. So like, what can we get rid of?
For sure, you guys are awesome. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Old combo though, cheesecake, pizza and cheesecake.
Claire, your English sounds like a Norwegian who's very good at English.
That is quite an insult.
That's quite an insult, I'm Welsh. But then again, I never really had a Welsh accent anyway, so...
And I think you've been influenced.
I've been 7 years in Norway, so I've been influenced.
Yeah.
But could put an accent on any time. No worries. I'm fine.
Pizza, I need to acquire some pizza. Fry is also jumping on the pizza wagon.
Pizza, no.
I want to see where this game goes. Yeah, me too. I want to see where it goes.
No, pizza best food, cheesecake best dessert, what not you like? See, I changed my accent now.
Well, I'm not sure that qualifies as an accent.
It's more of a Yoda accent. It's a Yoda accent. Way. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to just like maybe ditch some stuff here, but not so sure.
Mm-hmm.
What would I talk about? I'll be ooh, hello.
The suggestion was, if I go up
yeah,
there,
I've got a brilliant voice acting career right there. Ah, thank you. I just had pizza. You're wet.
If you scroll up a bit.
Okay. We're scrolling up, guys. We're scrolling up.
What happens when you try the albedo on the toon shader?
That's in the toon shader.
Oh yeah. Actually, if you go back to the toon shader, we could try to hook up the albedo on it.
Where do we put it again?
Into materials. Then drag the toon, drag it onto it. Yeah, like that. Click on the material.
There you go.
Then hook up on texture 2D.
Texture 2D, yeah.
Yeah. Then select the blue albedo. Now in the color.
Ooh.
You need to set the color all top left to white, like that.
Ooh.
So now that seems more fitting.
That's more fitting.
But we might need to run that texture through a little bit of modifications.
Probably, yeah. But at least that looks a little bit less thingy-majiggy.
Yeah.
Thingy-majiggy.
And good morning, Javasaurus. Nice to have you here.
Domino's are trying out new advertising methods in these trying times.
Are they advertising through our streams? Is that what's happening? Everyone just starts talking about pizza.
It's too dark.
Yes, it is too dark.
Yeah, it is too dark.
But I think we should open Affinity and fix it.
Yeah, we should. I'm just gonna try.
So you find the texture file, which is in the texture folder.
Oh yeah, it's in here, isn't it?
Yep.
There you go.
Blue albedo. Make a copy of that one.
Let's copy. Where is the copy? Oh, no, fine. I'll
Show an explorer.
Or not. Okay, fine. fine. Not being very happy with my fine. And I'm going to call this one Toon Shade. Albino. I'll just call him Toon.
Okay, seems good. Open that in Affinity. Let's get Affinity going.
Affinity.
Good morning, C#. Awesome. I like that.
Okay, let me just... Where was it again?
Just pull it in.
No.
Okay.
No.
At least bring it on the screen.
No. Chris is demanding today.
Yeah, I'm demanding.
Okay, there you go. Now we've got this. Okay, so it's too dark, so let's bump up the colors.
Let's do it. What we can do.
Okay. Chris wants something else.
We can do levels.
We can do levels. Oh, no fly. Levels.
Yeah. And then we can just do output black on the bottom left there and then bring it up. Right, but it introduces grey, but we can colorize it to something else if we wanted to.
I just like doing like everything. Yeah. We got that. That looks really icy.
And thank you for following Hobo Spidey.
Hobo Spidey.
Am I allowed to poke around?
Fine. Chris wants to poke around.
What?
If he breaks everything, we know why.
Right,
we know why.
Let's bring the blacks up to... Because we want it relatively bright. And then we can probably...
What do you want to put on
use,
I think you have a vision for this, and I don't, so that's why...
I want to posterize it. Right, so we have less. Wait a second, the posterizing didn't work.
No, because you're putting it on the levels adjustment. There you go.
Let's see if we do it now. Does that?
That is doing. It's doing something.
Is it?
Yeah. See.
Yeah.
There you go.
Right, because we only want it to be a few colors. 5 colors, maybe. 4 colors.
I got them confused at least 3 times today. How does source control work in game dev? Do you use Git?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, we use Git, yeah.
And it's fabulous. But you have to use the right git ignore.
Yes.
And also there's some configuration you can do to make it work a bit better. But I haven't really, we're gonna say, explored yet if that's good or really helps or makes any difference.
That was kind of neat.
This one?
No, the other one.
This one?
I put it there, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And thank you for the follow, Sombersome, and hello, Atlantia King.
Hello, how you doing this morning?
How does it work for things like sounds and prefabs given the file sizes? We haven't really had that much of a problem with sounds.
I read
prefabs.
online, it's just important that you use a repository which supports the large file storage thingy.
That is true, yeah.
Yeah, so that's important.
Yeah, and also like only kind of use the sounds you need. Don't like import an entire sound library into your game.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'll just take forever.
Also, so a recommendation: have a different repo for your like planning files and your work files, and a different repo for the game files. But we haven't done that ourselves. But I've seen some people recommend that.
Git is free for private repositories. It's awesome. Yes, isn't it? GitHub is.
Yeah,
GitHub
is pretty neat.
Yep.
That works really well.
And so is what was it called again by Atlassian? Oh, Bitbucket is also free for private repositories.
Yeah, and they
So
both
it's either
support large file storage.
Git for diffable files and Git ls for the rest.
Yeah, exactly.
Just ignore it. Equinox was made with Java, for instance, and there are many other games. All that matters is the end result. Exactly.
All right.
Yeah, I use it for stuff. Just curious about file sizes, that's all. I'm doing good. How is everyone?
Awesome.
We are good. How is everybody else? And what are you all up to?
We work on Dragon Texture.
Are we? We're working on Dragon Texture.
Mm-hmm.
2 gig is the upper limit for a file. Yeah, because I think we've encountered that with our... What was it called again?
Yes, we had a map, which is basically the terrain map.
Yeah.
Data. That got too large. And that's just one file in our entire project. So we decided to ignore that file. We upload it via OneDrive and make sure we just download that one. But it's instead, like one exception. And we try to obviously avoid... There shouldn't exist any 2 gig files in a project.
Bitbucket is 2. Love, yay.
Let's see now, Claire. Let's see.
I haven't hooked up the right one, Albino Tune,
Yeah, okay.
I'm reading all this. My org is running out of Git LFS data. Gotta buy more data packs. What is the LFS data? LFS data?
That's the large file storage.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay.
Right.
I thought it was like a limit per month. I thought.
We haven't run into the limit, so I guess not.
Limits, no. I have the student package, so I get lots of cool things through GitHub.
Oh,
it's
right.
awesome. Thank you for the follow, like Widow Weeks, Jen. Sorry, Krister's moving me away, so I find it hard to read.
Sorry.
You need to go to the hospital again. Why do you need to go to the hospital? Because C# is discounted Java?
No, that'd be bad. Can we blur a bit?
I'm very similar in syntax, to be honest. I just prefer C# myself, but to each their own, live and let live. And thank you for the follow. Who, what, into night. What? Thank you for the follow.
You guys having a busy time over there, don't you?
I get Zelda Windwalker vibes from this.
All right.
Yeah, we kind of got like a little bit inspired by that shader by Breath of the Wild.
Claire, where is the bloody blur?
The blur button? I don't know.
I want to blur the whole layer.
Okay, you do chat.
Yeah. Where are we at?
We are at Windy Bear Games.
Okay. Also streams on Twitch. Literally uses hard drives or to old-fashioned copies files as backups. That is terrible to have to manage that. Oh wow. Yeah, but sounds like a fun streamer to hang out with. So I'm going to take a note of that. Windy Bear Games.
You know, you can do just Gaussian blur.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah, I forgot it was there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
How much you want? This?
That much.
That much? Preserve the alpha? No.
And then close.
Close.
And then posterize adjustment. Click on that one.
Yeah.
Double click it.
Oh yeah, you gotta do that one.
Yeah, and set it to 4.
Set to 4.
Right.
There you go.
Try that. And save.
Save. Just save it.
Just save it and save flattened.
Save flattened.
Right. Atlassian Repo has 1 GB months max. I need to go to the hospital. Oh no, you read that part already?
Yeah, I done that already. Oh no, I need to go to have my other front tooth removed as well.
Oh,
that sucks.
I had my
wisdom tooth
taken last summer.
Which is no longer wise. That's why you can't do coding.
Yeah. But you can set up something for large bin storage, but never did that myself. All right, I had never tried that. No. But I guess you can host your own Git server as well. Then you have.
That's true. Yeah.
Your own limits to work with.
Is there no total size limit to the large file storage in GitHub? I'm using Dropbox, but I'm worried I'll modify a file so I can't restore it.
It's certainly much safer to run it via Git.
Yeah, because then you can see if like anything has changed.
Dropbox has a tendency to corrupt your project due to the fact that it'll be like, oh, there's a file conflict, and then it will store both versions, and then you don't realize because it does it in the background, and suddenly your project starts acting wonky between computers, and things just go out of sync. Just
use Git for pretty much like everything you can,
and keep it away from syncing.
Yeah, pretty much.
I've seen lots of people complain about this, like things with Dropbox, and we've done it in the past, and we have corrupted our projects with Dropbox.
Yeah, we have, and because back in the days, like when we were doing game dev in 2013, GitHub wasn't really a big thing to use then.
No,
like you could use it, but it was a bit flimsy, so we didn't.
And it was like we ended up using, for example, GitLab.
Yeah. Because
they had a better free store or a free option than GitHub had before Microsoft bought it.
Who said it? Fryer said the dragon's eyes disappeared, so I've just changed the Gaussian blur to make it actually.
Thank you, Fryer, for pointing that out, because I was thinking about the same, like, is the eyes disappearing or do we need to draw it in?
They're a bit weird.
We need to draw it in. Just put a new...
They are there. They're there. They're there.
Yeah, but we can just draw in, instead of purple, they look a bit weird.
I just don't know whether it's those ones or something else.
No, that's not it.
I don't think it's that. What is it? They're purple. Right, let's hunt for the eyes.
Maybe just draw a bit on a separate layer, then we can see where we are.
Yeah, let's do that. Just gonna do this.
Make a layer and draw a bit.
I'm just gonna...
You went with a non-pixel layer.
Did I? Oh, shoot. Still not used to this one. There you go. Because I'm wondering, like, is it like here? Or is it this?
Maybe draw with different colors and you will know.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I think that's a ridge.
You think that's a ridge?
Colors in top right. Okay. Just draw a bit around and about.
I think that's also the ridge.
Okay, then carry on. What about circling that one we thought it was originally?
That one? I did that one already.
No, that one.
That one. I don't think it's that one.
No, I know you don't think it's that one, but we should still circle it. Okay, save this and see what we get. Yeah. GitHub student pack added $200 in Mongo Atlas credits. That's helpful for deploying MERN stack apps. Yeah, I can imagine that. That's really handy. So many good offers for students. And now we have we found everything but the eye.
Right, okay. It might be near the red somewhere. Oh shoot, wrong one.
It might be near the red somewhere, yeah.
I like if this is
maybe it's
this? No. Let's just do like purple. Here?
Yeah, okay, just save that.
Right. Debugging texture map.
All right.
Okay, we're getting somewhere. It was somewhere in that purple zone.
Yeah, it's actually near the beginning of one of them.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh,
yeah.
Cool. Okay, so is it this?
No, it's that.
Is
that
this?
That one.
Right here?
Yeah, okay, right there.
Right here?
Yes. And on the other side as well.
And on the other side here?
Yeah.
I'm loving this debugging.
How to debug. Yes, we found it. That's the eye. Should we make it white? I think it should have white eyes.
I'm just loving. Now we should leave him like this guy.
No.
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah.
Just turn it into the Joker dragon.
It just turned. Yeah, I Right, let's get rid of this layer then, shall we?
Hmm.
Then we can just be like, this is an eye here. Let's get some white. Let's make this smaller. And come on. Oh, I gotta put the new layer on. Whoops. Chris is like,
Use a different color per making so you know which one it is. Yeah, well, I guess I'm reading chat a bit too late. I'm sorry, Nick.
Hey, Chris just said it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Chris just said it. Isn't there a way to see the changes directly on your model? I guess so. Maybe make it more hard edge.
I was thinking
That's too
about
big.
that. I want a big...
Juicy eye?
Big juicy eye. Look
Okay,
at big
that's
juicy
good enough.
eye.
No, okay, that's gonna be...
It's a demonic eye. There you go.
Okay.
Job done.
Fine.
Work. There you go.
No, that looks terrible now. Oh, what have we done to him? Oh, it was a nice model until we started messing around.
Yeah, apparently so.
I think we need to keep the eye size the way it was.
Need to be anime eyes. Okay, fine.
Not anime eyes. I'm sorry, Friar.
There you go, right. Let's just make a new layer and let's try again, shall we?
There's one dot. Yeah, okay, he's happy. Just duplicate this layer and move it over. Ctrl J, then use your transform.
No, I don't want to move it over. No, Krista.
Now flop it.
Flop it.
Flip it, flop it.
Horizontal.
Right, we're making progress.
Do we want to add like little details like anime eyes?
Save this and see if it works.
Save this and see if it works. There you go.
Oh man, that looks terrible. But it's fine.
Yeah, but I mean, if you have a look at what Deer had originally, you see that it had like little...
Yeah, it's good.
This just... Oh my god.
You gonna draw that in?
I'm gonna draw that in.
Man, this girl.
I wanted black.
I don't think it looks that bad, says Jorosaurus. You could add glowy lights. No, we're not gonna have glowy lights. What are you doing, Claire? Oh, no. It's gonna look like the dirtiest dragon ever. Probably gonna look in each direction or something.
Oh no, that was pretty poor, man.
Oh, please drop the pupil.
Okay, fine, I'll drop the pupil then. But what I can do, on the other hand,
Yes.
is just move this probably underneath this.
Okay, looks
So-
a bit more integrated.
Looks a bit more integrated now.
Okay.
Krister's always complaining, I mean, come on.
Can you change the toon shader matte cap?
Matte cap?
Matte cap?
Matte cap?
I'm not sure what matte cap means. But it is probably a good idea because I don't feel like we're quite there yet.
No, I don't think we are there. No.
Okay, I have an idea, Claire.
Okay, Chris.
Can I work in Affinity?
Okay, fine.
This is gonna look fabulous.
You can add glowy lights. Like tiny glow lights. Success!
I'm wondering, is this part his belly?
I have no idea. Probably.
If I have a vector layer,
Are you gonna vector?
I want to work in vector.
Okay, Chris is gonna work in vector. He doesn't like working in pixel.
It'll be cool. And I'm wondering if I do something like this. I'm just gonna wrap it up there now. Let's see if we found the right location.
It's the thing that affects its shading and shadows. I don't know what it's called in the shader. Sorry.
All right. Yeah, which is basically what we have. We have the two shading. There's a bright part and there's a dark part.
Mm-hmm.
But obviously then we have the texture, which does all this weird stuff in between here.
Are you going to give him a Snuti tattoo?
Yeah, but you can see here, this actually worked.
That did actually work.
Yeah.
Actually.
So if I don't think it needs that much more detail.
No, I don't think so at all.
So if we go back here, and we want this to be kind of like probably this color.
I think so.
Yeah.
Well, that didn't.
That did not work.
Oh, it might be the.
Oh, it's all the.
Posterizing.
Yeah. Okay. There.
There you go.
Now I can just add more here.
There you go.
Right. So we got the entire underbelly. Something like that.
Yeah. You need to also have that part there.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Then we can probably
This
do
looks derpy.
this and that. Here we go. This is excellent vectoring work.
Remove the stroke.
If Shiva was here this morning, or
there's a stroke. I didn't know that.
Is there a stroke?
There's a
I got
stroke,
the
there's a
black
white
stroke on it.
Or
Okay.
change color. Sorry.
Thank you for noticing the stroke. she would be screaming at my vectoring approach.
She would. She'd be like, Krister, I'll do this for you.
Oh, she's so good with vectors though.
I know.
Let's have a look here. Isn't that starting to shape up?
I think so.
Right. Then I think...
Hello, Elunu Dev. I think I said it right.
Awesome. I'm just gonna
Oops.
do that.
New to the stream, what are you working on? We are working on the life of Mr. Pips, and we are currently
Implementing a
dragon.
Which has very little to do with the game.
But, you know.
This is still important aspect of game development. To add your favorite dragon.
Add your favorite. We should probably show the game, but Krister's currently busy doing other stuff.
And thank you for following. Awesome.
Elnu Dev, thank you.
I'm gonna do something
Krister
like...
is just like so good at showing off the game. I apologize. He's this is what happens when he hijacks a mouse. What are you doing?
I'm gonna clear up all these details because I don't like them.
Did you guys do Ludum Dare this time?
No,
we did not.
We did not,
no.
But we were very inspired by all the other awesome people who were.
Yes. And we were working on Mr. Pips on the weekend that Ludum Dare was happening.
Yes.
We felt lonely for a bit, and then everybody came and joined us. We're like, yay!
Yeah, that was a fun weekend. There we go.
There you go. Okay.
Right, but I think I need one more detail here because you can see I'm missing this one.
Yeah, that's a wing, I think.
That's a wing. Okay, we need to not do that to the wing.
It's not allowed to mention LD here. They said they get sad. We don't get sad, but there's others on the stream that get sad.
Z gets sad more specifically. Yes. See, this is working out great. I'm not doing too bad vectoring.
No.
You're looking at me like I'm some big disappointment.
No, I'm joking. It was my 5th Ludum Dare already, but it was the first time when I could say that I enjoyed playing my own game.
Oh,
that is awesome.
That's awesome. Please link your Ludum Dare game. That'd be awesome to see. Save this flattened.
Let's see how this looks.
This
now.
will only be good on half the character.
Half the character. Oh wow, that looks snazzy.
Yeah, look at that.
Look, we now have a snazzy looking half dragon.
Half dragon. Yeah.
In Blender, you'll be able to draw directly on the model. I saw developer do that, and even the model in Unity change in real time. Maybe worth looking into sometime.
Yes, absolutely. I do want to work that way myself, and I know Blender can do it, but right now we just have a random asset we got off the asset store, which we're trying to modify. I feel like this part goes too far up.
Yeah.
That was my impression. Something like... I think it's that part, or maybe it's this part.
Might be.
Well, whichever. Are we happy with the way this is going?
Yeah, I'm just wondering, like, should we fix this maybe like a bit more off stream?
Yeah, we can.
So that we can actually start doing what we were going to do with the dragon.
Let's do that. But we can just duplicate this over to the other side.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Duplicate. Right click, transform, flip. If I had the right tool selected, let's try this again. Right click.
There you go.
Transform, flip. I'm going to turn the opacity down so I see if I can place it right.
Maybe move a little bit to the right. There you go. It's a bit different, isn't it?
It's a bit different. Huh. Yeah. Well, hopefully it'll still work out.
Quite the same. What is going on here? Yeah, we're currently we're trying to
retexture
a dragon.
A dragon, which is just what you do on a daily basis.
Yes. So the title of the stream: Dragon Material Troubleshoot.
I like all the new suggestions coming up.
Of course,
here.
this is just way more fun. What is the other half? Goblin? I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be dragon.
There we go.
Oh, looks nice.
That's good enough, isn't it?
That's good enough, yeah.
And do you like his colors?
Oh, yeah, I think his colors are purpley.
But should we, I think maybe...
I got a link, you got the laptop.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you for the LD Jam. That is cool. I'm going to have a look at this after stream. Thank you for linking that.
Yes. Yeah, this is just something we got from the asset store, so...
we don't take credit.
We don't take credit.
Ooh, but it's fun.
Yep. But yeah, we will finish retexturing that another time, because Crystal likes to be...
Good progress.
Likes to be finicky. So, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as an Affinity file.
That's a good idea. Just save it right there.
There you go. There you go. Done. Because, like, right now, what does it do? I can play the game.
Yes.
Finally.
I'm gonna have BRB.
He's gonna do BRB. He's gonna have toilet break. Bring some chocolate back. So this is Mr. Pips. Finally, I can actually show off Mr. Pips. And he's trying to get to this cabin over here. This is the final level. So... And I'm gonna try and get one of these rafts. Come on. There you go. Woo! Yeah, this is still broken. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna try to get to the cave to see our scary dragon. Scary dragon. I think you already saw my game when you visited Honest Dan's channel. Probably. That was probably Crystal watching, so he'll have to respond to that. You have to play my game through a few times before you get the hang of platforming. It's about speed and precision. Ooh, sounds complicated. And you've linked your... Thank you for linking your Ludum Dare game. Javasaurus. Bounce, bounce, baby. Water shader looks really good. The polish here is really nice. Thank you. Well, there's still lots to do, and I'm trying to find the cave. And no, where on earth is... Where on earth is the cave entrance now? Oh my god, I need to fix this. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna bounce there because I can't be asked to use that. That's bounce, baby. God, where is the? There it is. There's the cave entrance. There you go. I got it now. Got it now. Come on, Mr. Pips, get up there. We need to fix this terrain. There you go. There's still a lot to be fixed here, and we also changed our lighting, so that needs to also be changed. Hello, Mr. Dragon. Hello. You're starting to feel a little too cold. Well, don't worry, there's a dragon right there. He's gonna help you out. So, are you both being generalists, or are each of you doing a different role, art programming? We do everything pretty much together. So, there's only like a few times where we do things a bit separately, but we're jack of all trades in general, so we can do everything.
We find that's the best balance, really, because some projects are like programming heavy, some projects are modeling heavy. And then it's nice that both can do everything and makes us much more flexible.
He doesn't have a mesh collider. Hello! Hello!
He probably needs a little collider. But that's really neat though.
Yeah, we got him. He's just stuck in his like...
Flying
thingy. You've got another link, and then someone also said, Brainoid Game says, I think you already saw my game when you visited Honest Dan's channel.
Oh yeah. Sorry if I've forgotten. Oh, this is looking neat. What we got here? Long live the king. Cool. Yep, I'm keeping this
The
open.
belly colour needs to be different. It's the same as the wall right now. Oh, we hadn't thought about that.
Yeah. We
will fix this.
The thing is, the wall is not supposed to be like that. I want to be able to create this as a dim cave. But right now it has like really bright ground and everything. It's not...
Yeah, we need to do that.
I'm gonna get, because there's lots of details in the wall, but the current lighting doesn't show it.
Yeah, then we haven't fixed that.
We're gonna fix it.
Looks like a green screen fail, you know. Bee.
Yeah.
Hello, blue bumblebee. 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 That is the British short-haired dragons. It's a dragon boar.
Nice seeing you around here, blue bumblebee.
Maybe a bit more contrast. Isn't a mesh glider going to be bad on performance?
Yeah, we use mesh gliders for everything.
We do.
It's fine. This game is not for mobile.
No.
Yes, it will be bad for performance, but
I like the purple creature. Thank you.
And I finally got my dragon.
My life is complete. Congrats, Z.
I'm so glad to see that.
Achievement unlocked for Z.
Yes.
Oh, we need to have that now. Visited the dragon.
Okay, but we need to do something here.
Achievement. We need achievements in the game.
So here.
We need achievements in the game.
Yes,
we need achievements in the game.
Eventually. Dialogue. Uh-oh.
Oh.
See
Says
what you did there?
Oh no, Krister. Oh no, Krister.
What?
Bad pun, man. Bad pun.
We need to use that pun with him.
Good idea, Claire. Haha, you're so punny.
You're so punny.
But maybe we should make sure that the animations are a bit different because it's really, really irritating.
So we want him to probably do not this because he ends up doing this probably.
I think so. I don't understand why he doesn't loop through all of them now.
Well, obviously we need to make transitions back there.
Oh yeah, okay.
But what does his idle and everything look like? We can figure out which animation we want him to actually play probably.
Maybe maximize on play, just disable that.
No, just like do this and play him. Is that the animation we want?
Idle, yeah, I think that's good.
Okay, which means...
And then if he gets angry, then he can breathe.
we can just delete that and it's going to stay idle.
Yeah.
Okay. And now...
We need to fix those thingamajiggies.
Oh, no, there's some more we need to fix as well.
No, I'm talking about the raft, because you can't raft, so just teleport.
Yeah. But I just realized we can't destroy a dialogue script on it. We need to add in the color scheme.
Oh, no.
And then we need to have icon anchor.
Yes, that's true.
Isn't it called icon anchor?
I think it's called icon anchor. You're not doing it. I'll do it.
Icon anchor. Is it just named like that?
So you're feeling cold and you get a dragon to warm you up in the cave?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. But
no, we're not gonna have any fire on him.
But we do have a fireplace in the previous area with the little blue berry.
Yeah.
So maybe we should have another one here, and then he fires it up.
He fires it up.
Fires it up.
There's a lot of teleport points here. Okay, we're in the right location now.
Location, yes.
So
see that one's not lit.
This fireplace, there's no fire.
No, it's no fire.
And it's just super glowy because we have put a spotlight here.
Hello, my name is Bob. Sorry, I feel cold here. Am I going in the wrong direction?
Yeah, okay, that script doesn't quite match him anymore.
No.
Object
reference not set to instance of object.
Okay. Which object reference?
Mr. Peeps. Icon anchor is
in one word. Everyone's gonna love us for all the string references we do. This how to make game.
That is so cute. He looks like an ice dragon now. Wouldn't he have ice breath?
Exactly, which is what probably more right.
So then we have to have like an ice, fire.
I was hoping to avoid the whole fire part of it.
Krister, no. If Z doesn't agree, then. Teleport.
There we go. Okay.
There go. Fire breath would look weird now. Context. Yeah.
Exactly. So if he's gonna have some type of fire, it gotta be blue.
It's fine.
Okay, see, he can talk to him.
Talk to him. I see what you did there.
Oh, fitting with the blue text even.
Yeah.
He can just keep the blueberries text.
My son wants to pet him.
Pets him in Unity.
With tiny robots doing stuff. I guess that can be fun. Yeah, it can be fun.
Yeah.
A blue-purple dragon in an ice cave has to be an ice dragon.
Mm-hmm.
Agreed. Should we call him Icy?
Yeah. I think also Nick approves of this pet sim in Unity.
Yeah.
Because Nick also likes making games for his children and have their input on it. It's like a really good family activity, I guess.
It is. And then you can get them to join in.
Make the parents work hard to do game dev. So.
Oh, no, but the kids also need to do game dev. It's not just, it has to be pair programming. Teach children from a young age how to do pair programming.
Try to say that to Nick. he thinks there's a lack of attention span.
Oh. Well, then just, it's also a bit like we're playing Super Mario Odyssey.
Yeah.
And I'm playing Cappy and Chris is playing Mario. And I just start moving around as if I'm Mario. And I heard lots of people talking about how when they play with the children, they just give them a controller, which isn't plugged in. But the kids just think they are, and they can just be like that for hours, so...
Being Cappy is awesome in that game.
Yeah, I'm always saving your...
Nick has done this trick a few times. My kid was Cappy. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. Chris is better at Mario than I am. But I just like being Cappy because I like to annoy Chris.
You're my kid, are you?
No, I just like to annoy you.
You're being quite helpful. Or you make me double jump, which is a bit...
Yes, and that's what I love. Is just you double jump. Chris is like, I'm dead now. I'm like, yes.
Yes. Teamwork.
No, that doesn't work for us. My kid knows instantly when his controller doesn't do his stuff.
Mm.
Oh, man.
What an observant little guy.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think this is shaping up.
I have... real problems trying to find people in my age group that have long enough attention spans to do game dev with me. I'm 15. Any advice?
I think that once you are in your teens, age doesn't matter as much. Usually when I was in my teens, I was hanging out with people way older than me.
Yeah, that's actually a valid point. I did the same as well.
Yeah, I didn't care if people were 20, 22 or etc. I usually were with all older people because they had interests that aligned more with me.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we should.
It worked. Here you go. We're part of the Game Dev Friends Club, which is a nice, friendly Discord community by Julia, where you can meet loads of other game devs. And you might find somebody for you.
Yeah, find somebody for you. Sounds like a romantic option now.
Well, you could find a nice dragon.
My son is 5 and also has quite a short attention span when coding with me, but we're making games and I'll probably make a devlog on Game Dev plus Kids. You should.
That's awesome. Yeah, you
That'd
should.
be awesome. I would love to watch that.
We actually used to teach children how to program in Scratch.
Yeah, they were around 9-10 years old though.
Yeah, but they've actually managed to keep up for 2 hours, which was pretty impressive.
We'd run 2-hour sessions with Scratch programming. Oh, sometimes stretch almost into 3 hours.
Yep.
And we were doing really cool coloring games and things like that. I had like made a leaflet we had printed out, which they followed along.
And some of them were following like after the session as well, so it does work.
And
where are you guys from? We missed that out. So
Silly Only, hello. How are you doing? Silly Only, are you pulling your noses? Oh no, be culinary.
Where are you guys from?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, Krister. Take it. I'm from Wales and Krister is from Norway, but we're living in Norway, so I have a weird accent, apparently. So.
And I have a weirder accent.
And Krister has a weird accent. Okay.
I'm sorry.
How are you guys? We are very good, Silly Only.
Yes, and nice seeing you here.
Yes, it's been a while, mister.
Mm-hmm.
Game Dev Friends, I need to check that one out.
Yes, you should.
I learned program routine when I was 5 with Scratch, then went to Python.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's
awesome
impressive.
that it started that way.
Yeah, I was only playing Tomb Raider when I was age 5, so...
Yeah.
But then again, I think it's a bit different arena now than when we were doing programming.
I think I did my first steps when I was around 12 years old or something in like some HTML, etc. But yeah, was making HTML sites in Word. And I figured out later that you could use front page and they were all crap, and then you used like Notepad and you're like, yeah, Notepad, awesome.
And then you found out you could use Notepad++, and that's better. And man.
I did not realize that until much later.
And then we were told in school to use, what was it called again? Dreamweaver.
Yeah. Silly Only has lots of work. I guess that's a good thing to have lots of work, so you keep him busy.
Yes. Has
Scratch changed at all since then? Yeah, I think it's been continuing developing. And
it's made by university, isn't it?
Yeah, some uni who's hosting it. You should take a look at it, yeah. Dreamweaver. Ah, man, that was a nightmare.
And it tells you your age when you say Dream.
Yeah.
We had to use it for an exam, like an IT exam.
Oh, right.
And I just absolutely flipped at Dreamweaver. I did everything in Note++ and just blagged it that I did it in Dreamweaver, and it worked.
Edit Plus 2, I never heard about that. It was paid, so switch to Notepad++, but my default text editor a few years ago. See, this is the guy who knows this stuff.
Scratch what, Z? Blink, blink, I don't get it.
I have no idea.
Oof, front page.
Oh, he tried doing Scratch with his girlfriend, but she didn't even last for an hour.
What? We should just give you the material we had.
The leaflet we made. Yeah.
Maybe we should do it.
It kept kids entertained for 3 hours.
Yeah, and there was someone like, I'm going to make Minecraft in Scratch, and they actually genuinely did make a really good attempt at it.
Nobody mentioned V so far. What is V?
VI?
VI. I don't know.
Fishy.
Oh, VI. You know, terminal VI.
Oh. Yeah. And layouts had to be in tables too. Yuck. I know.
Dreamer at least let you edit HTML. Front page generate this is horrible HTML. They both did generate horrible HTML.
They did, yeah.
But you could edit it yourself in Dreamer, which did help, but then don't touch the preview because it would mess everything up.
Yep. Maybe I made it boring to see. Maybe I'm to blame.
Yeah, Skip Rolls talking about Vim.
Vim, yeah. Oh man, no. More age reveal GeoCities. Oh no. My dad had his website in GeoCities for years, and I cringed every time I had to edit it. And then you also had as well, what do you call it? There was like an online editor, Pixo?
Yeah, Pixel sites.
Pixel sites, yeah, and oh man, yeah. But we're not going to go there. Yeah. On Linux, I always use Nano, but that's because I just edit bash scripts and config files.
I use Nano. I use Nano mostly as well because it's just simple in and out.
My mom swears by Dreamweaver because she liked it when she used it 10 years ago.
Well, it's cool that she's into that type of stuff.
Is it better now? That is the big question.
Yeah, we're all into the Nano Club. I think we're not talking about Nano currency, but we're talking about the Nano editor. Yeah, I'm into both though, but that's just me.
I wonder where to place him. Do we want to have him like underneath the Hallelujah light?
We can do. We can actually on his Soul Eater thingy where he has his mesh. Click on that one.
Yeah.
Add the script to him.
What script?
Scroll down and add the tune helper. That one.
Does he not have that already?
Yeah, and then you need to hook up the material in the tune helper. Set size to 1, and
then just drag.
Yeah, and just hook it up there.
Right, which one? This one?
You're gonna search for it. It's called the Dragon Tune.
I can't remember where I put it now.
Right there, isn't it?
This one?
Yeah, it's that one.
Okay, it's that one. Okay, right. Let's go back here. Which one?
Hmm.
Yeah, here.
Are you both programmers, artists? Yes, we
are
both kind of do a bit of everything. And we found that's the good balance.
The good balance. Yeah. I used to.
Have you checked out IOTA? Yeah, I think IOTA is interesting, but it's a bit, centralized instead of decentralized. But we're not going to go into the crypto world discussion now, because we will end up there for hours, and this is game dev.
No. I'll be stepping out soon. Kids and wife are getting restless because I did not make any breakfast yet. You should have made breakfast before stream, Nick.
Oh.
That would have solved
I
the
hope
problems.
you have a nice family time.
Yeah. Make croissants and lots of good foods and bon maman. What do you call it? Jam, but no strawberry jam. No strawberry jam.
Shredded nuts. We can discuss this on Discord if you want to hang out with me. I'm happy to have that. So, but we will leave it off stream for now. But I do think it's an interesting discussion, though.
Kristen, do have some overlap. This is game dev. Okay, I'll shut up now. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Crypto and game dev do have some overlap. Yeah, they do. And I think actually there's some quite interesting gameplay which could be made in terms of like transfer value between players directly and that type of interaction. That's an interesting discussion on the other hand. But it all needs to mature. It's quite far into the future, isn't it? But are we finished the dragon the way we want it?
Well, no, I don't think so.
What do you feel like is lacking on the dragon?
I feel like, he's there. What was his purpose again?
What was his purpose again?
Well, we need a roundup. The chat goes too fast. Because he was gonna be the mama dragon, the mama boar dragon.
Yeah, and then we're gonna have another one outside. But should we just leave maybe one in here? I feel like they belong in here.
Yeah.
And should there just be one in here, or should it be like a little two, or should it be some blueberries running around and they have some conversation related to the blueberries?
I think it gets too much. Then it gets too much.
Yeah.
So you go into the cave and ask for a lighter.
Yeah. Items that are interchangeable between games that are stored in crypto. Yeah, that is also an interesting approach, especially for like trading card games. That's possible.
Yeah, we're trying to come up with this now.
Sorry. Yeah, don't sidetrack us. We need to figure out this dragon.
Maybe the mama dragon is outside looking for the small dragon, a little agitated, and you have to help them reunite.
Yeah. Now we have a quest all of a sudden.
Well, it does seem a bit strange if we have the little, oh gosh, where is it? The little blueberry in here.
That is true.
Where is he now? It's really, I think we need to, no, there you go, I've got him now.
You found it.
He seems a bit awkward, but maybe that's fine. I don't know. We could have it that you come in here and it's like, hello, help me find my little baby, and my little baby's up somewhere over here or something, and then you have to reunite it again. We don't have a quest system.
No, we don't have a quest system. But we do actually have a system to switch dialogues, which could be considered a quest system.
That could be. Yeah.
Your reward is just the conversation changed.
Make the baby dragon follow you. Dragon AI?
Well, we do actually have a system to make things follow.
Yeah, we do, because we have the little mini pips over here which follow us.
That'd be really cute, though.
That would be. So we could have the baby dragon, and then once you reunite here, then it drops it off. And
maybe it goes on an adventure video.
Does he?
Yeah.
Maybe he would be our friend instead of a blueberry friend.
Yeah. I like this. I like where this is going, especially with the fact that you get him to follow you.
But then he's just going to be bouncing everywhere.
That's okay.
Okay.
He can use the flappy animation or something, which doesn't look that bad.
That's true, yeah.
All right.
A little bit like what you have when you have minions in
take him and duplicate them or something like
that. We can actually just
apply, I think. Apply all.
Yeah, no, I'm trying. There's the apply all button.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. So, this now became a quest. Let's duplicate. Oh, hello.
That would be adorable, yes.
Yep.
I broke out the dusty PS4 after years of PC gaming today. Had an urge to play Spider-Man, so it started downloading. That sounds good. Yeah, there's lots of good games on PlayStation.
There you go.
Or Ride the Baby Dragon. No, stop me please, yes. We have a system for making things follow you, so we can use that.
I was gonna put him to like maybe.
My Xbox is just sitting there as a media player.
Oh.
That is usually how it goes, isn't it?
There you go. So I think he's mini like this.
Mm-hmm.
I want to make sure that he's about the same size as the mini pips. I think that will look adorable. Don't think so?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Seriously.
And maybe we can place him as a mini pip instead, and he can have the scripts of the mini pip.
So, like, I'm not doing very well in 3D space today.
We get in there. We get in there.
There. So he's a bit bigger than a mini pip.
Maybe scale him down a little bit more.
I think I'm going to scale him down a bit more. Let's put him to 15.
Maybe 12?
12? Okay, 12?
That is so cute.
I know, that is pretty cute.
Yeah. Are you using C#? Yeah, we're using C# because this is made in Unity, which is C# based.
Does he look cute or does he look cute?
Yeah.
He looks cute. Looks cute.
Sorry, I missed out on chat a little bit.
Horizon Zero Dawn is on the list after Spider-Man. PS4 has a lot of great exclusives. Yeah, we bought Horizon Zero Dawn and I need to play through it. I haven't done it yet. I finished just Kingdom Hearts 3 like the other day.
C's suggestion is that the mini pips can ride the mini dragon. Z, no. This is hard.
No.
Hard enough as it is.
I feel like I need to write down what our plan is, so I think I'm going to do that, because otherwise we're going to be... Because we got up here, make one of the blue barriers want to be Mr. Pip's friend and be a bit different from the rest.
Yeah, but we can leave that one there still, because I think that's in summertime.
Yeah, okay. But then what happens to him when he's going to go into the pot at the end?
That's the thing. He's going to become just sitting on top of it or something.
Sit on top of what?
Just sit on the pot.
This is, again, awfully complex. I think instead he should just be like... leaves after a while.
Okay, so he can just become another...
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. He will become a strawberry bush.
Oh, shoot. What? Okay, there you go.
What is that app for checklist? This is Notion.
This is Notion.
Notion is pretty neat. We really like working with Notion. It's very flexible in terms of like powerful and simple at the same time.
Yeah, so add a dragon. We've added dragon. So add a dragon.
C believes in us being able to pull off the mini pips can ride the dragon.
Oh, gosh. Just follow him. Just let him follow you until you reunite him with the mama, and the mama thanks you or something. Yeah, that is true. I think we should do that.
But what if you don't reunite him and he ends up in the end of? Nah, that's fine. He can just be skipped there.
Dragon follows mini dragon. I'm gonna write down.
Yeah.
Mini dragon. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna put this quest. Find the mini dragon. For mama dragon. There you go. Follows you until you reunite it with mama dragon. You can also do it as well if you go far away, you know, or like to a certain trigger. Then the mini dragon tells you he wants to go back to his mama.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So there you're fine then. Then problem solved.
Yeah, then we have a solid plan.
I can probably do like trigger area.
Yeah, because it can just be a static place in the world.
Thank you for the follow.
Thank
Llama Chunguregi 3.
that
I'm
word.
gonna roll with that. Just let him follow you into the arena, and then fly off into the sunset.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how they can fly out of the cave.
Yeah, well, they will just follow the player.
Both of them? Big dragon and little dragon?
No, not the big dragon.
No, okay.
Big dragon stays around.
Okay. I think we've got here. I'll check it out. I'm currently just writing everything down in an MD to keep track, looking for something a little more organized.
Yeah, Markdown is neat, but this supports Markdown. It's all Markdown based. So yeah, you'll feel right at home. Did you ever see Harry Potter and the Desolation of Smaug?
Yeah, we've seen obviously the Harry Potter films.
Yes.
And The Hobbit, Desolation of Smaug.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we've seen it.
We've seen them all.
And the dragon is wonderful.
Yes. But that's all motion captured, so...
Maybe there's a reference to that is trapped in here.
Maybe, yeah.
And put some treasure around him and everything.
I'm gonna have to go now. I'm glad I discovered you guys. Stream is really fun.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Hope you had a nice time.
So glad you joined us.
Thank you for dropping by, and I hope to see you. We'll be here next Saturday. We stream every Saturday morning at 8 o'clock Central European time.
We do.
Mm-hmm.
And buildings and caves are no problem.
Yeah.
You could get Cumberpatch to voice over the big dragon. Claire does the little dragon.
Wow.
Yeah, we should do that. I'm pretty sure
He will
do that.
He will sign up, yeah.
I'll just be like, yeah, come on, man, we got Dragon in again.
Z will send him a letter. Yeah?
Yes.
Get us in touch with him.
You're like, I requested a dragon in a game. Can you please do the voiceover for it? And he'll be like, yeah, sure. I'm like, yay!
Benderly Cucumber Patch? No.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
I like
Cucumber Patch.
like calling him Cucumber Patch.
I'll call him immediately. Oh my gosh, you're buddies with him.
Brenton Cast SWAT. Caster SWAT? I don't know who this is.
I think he's just enjoying to throw names.
Well, it's probably somebody famous we should know who he is.
Probably. We don't know people. Oh, we need to also add sound effects.
What type of sound effects would we want?
Voiceover.
When I search for that, I only find this. I feel like that's not what he meant.
He's talking about the men.
Oh. Well, I feel like I found a different meme. Cucumber Patch meme is literally that you can say whatever remotely look like it and they know what it is. Yes, I guess so.
Yes. So we got this little mini dragon. So like I'm wondering, like on this one, we've got the dialogue script here on audio source. We could just be really mean and just be like,
that's what I was thinking.
yeah, paste components
values.
There you go. Self-destruct. Yeah, I'll self-destruct.
Yes, we do want that.
Target switch. We don't have it on that.
Don't
one.
need it.
You received a dragon. I'm just gonna say that for the time.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So pick up. Yeah, we'll just do that, and then I'm just gonna go here, and I like the sound effect here.
Okay,
Copy
so
component, and we'll probably change that sound effect to something else, but we're working on it.
It'll do the trick. But it's just a chime tinkle.
Yes.
You know, the little.
But we do have the icon anchor. Oh, we could change it to. I don't know. What
just go with that one. Then.
Explosion.
No. Let's go with a 7. It's fine.
With the 7?
Yeah, this is a little bit different sound on it.
Okay. Let's see how this works out then, shall we?
One problem though, it's going to instantiate not the dragon. It's going to instantiate the pip on after the self-destruct.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I remember how this is programmed, it's not going to quite work out the way we hope.
Oh well.
You guys are so cute, but I gotta go. Fun stream. Thank you for dropping by, Be Cubinary. It's been really nice having you here. And yes, you now. What's happened?
I've got a pip, and I think I might have clicked the pip. I'm not sure.
But I think he's going to create pips no matter what.
Oh, probably. I didn't pick up the pip.
That is so weird. Is there nothing more to click? Nothing.
You received a pip, but this one didn't even have like you received anything.
I think it didn't self-destruct correctly. If you pause the game, look at error messages.
Object reference not set to instance.
Double click that. Yeah,
Ragdoll.
It didn't find the ragdoll to destroy.
Okay, yeah. We need a ragdoll.
Why do we need a ragdoll? Oh, because all the pips have a ragdoll.
Yes.
Because it's hard codes to work with the pips.
And thank you for joining us, Be Cubinary.
Yes. Hope to see you next Saturday. Yes. That'd be lovely.
I love your character controller. Thank
you. Yeah.
Not the explosion again.
Yes.
Oh no. Yeah, okay, so we probably need to...
That's the thing. Give pickup. It creates a new follower and all that stuff.
I know.
This wasn't as easy as I thought it was.
No.
We need to basically maybe have a variable here of like saying what type of pop pickup to give.
Probably.
Like have a dragon type.
Yep. But I'm starting to get hungry.
You lied. You don't have a follow system. You have a pip follow system. That is so true.
Yeah, we do.
I guess I forgot. I'm sorry, Brainoid.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
We don't have a dragon follow system.
Kind of not.
I'm just gonna go back up here to this one.
Why do pips need a ragdoll? Do they even have bones? We call it a ragdoll because he's a hamster.
Yeah, he's a hamster.
You know, because he has a physics ball. It's just a sphere which rolls around, which is what you actually control. Inside of him is what I call the ragdoll, which is just I should probably call it the hamster instead, which is standing up straight inside the hamster ball, which is the character moving. So it's like, yeah.
This is player.
That's the explanation.
What's the player pickup thing? And the player pickup.
Yeah.
Then the pip prefab. So
we need then a dragon prefab.
Yes. Why do we just have this one here? Should I just put the serialized field again for the dragon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do that.
It's happening, guys.
It's
Pip lives matter. They're strong and independent pips, and if they want to have a ragdoll, they can have a ragdoll. Hamsters inside pips? There's a mem here. I can feel it.
What is it called? Dragon Mini? Dragon Mini?
I guess so.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, what? Okay. I know I've got some errors. Just trying to... What did you do, Unity?
Well, that's not how... It's a serialized field. We need to assign it.
I know, but we need to also... It's trying to find the ragdoll.
No, that's the player. Don't worry about that.
Okay. Let's just... But where do we select this then? The dragon prefab?
You said it inside of the... In Unity, so it's serialized.
Yeah, but where in Unity? That's what I'm asking.
Oh, it's on the player. I know it's not very logical. Yay, more strings. Yeah, it's gonna be more strings.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be.
Wait.
Pip follower, dragon prefab. There you go. Dragon Mini.
I don't think you can do it that way. It has to be from the project, and you have to save them out as a different prefab.
Okay.
So I think the best way to do this is to duplicate the pip follower prefab and then place it.
Done that though.
Not in the project, right?
Okay.
When you go into the special prefab.
Pip follower.
Yeah.
There you go.
That
in
one.
assets.
If you duplicate this guy.
Duplicate. It's hard to duplicate.
Is it Control D? Does that work?
Is it Control D?
That is. And then call this a dragon follower.
Okay.
And then we need to replace its innards.
Dragon follower.
Yeah.
There you go. Now I gotta put dragon follower. There you go.
Yeah.
P.
Yeah.
How am I gonna do that?
We'll find it. We can. There, and now we can search for the dragon we have.
Yeah, but I put the anchor on and everything.
That's fine.
That's not on it.
We need to just unpack him and then hook him up. I think. There it is.
This one?
Isn't it that one?
Probably.
I think so.
To just drag him in?
Yeah.
There you go. 0.12. There you go. Off, man.
Just zero him out.
That's what I'm gonna do. There you go.
Yeah, okay, that was looking good.
Oh man, I think we have to stop soon because my head's burning.
Alright. But I think we got some progress.
Yeah, let's just try and do this dude then. So we got the goal, the kiddo. We can probably get rid of the kiddo. What is that about?
Shreddy Nut says, good stream. I'm gonna have to do some housework before the girlfriend wakes up and get angry. Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you so much for dropping by, Shreddy Nut. It was really nice having you here. It was a lot of fun.
It's Bulbasaur.
And we wish you a lovely... Yeah, that's Bulbasaur.
Bulbasaur.
Lovely weekend.
Yeah, I hope you have a really nice weekend, Shreddy Nut. Fate is kind to me then.
I choose random stream to try to get statistics using Twitch API with curl, and I end up at the programmer stream twice the happiness. Sashio no Okami. Thank you for finding us at random.
Yes.
Well, fate is kind to me. It wasn't random, it was fate. You were meant to find the stream, yes.
Okay, I've got the icon anchor still here. I think I should be fine here. Do we need the icon anchor here? Foam anchor.
Yeah, he needs all those things.
Let's put that on there. I don't think we need the ragdoll unless I put these all together as a ragdoll.
Oh, wait a second. Now you... Wait, did you duplicate this prefab? Or are you also editing the mama? Because I was suggesting we should unpack it.
It was going to be a mess unpack it here. No, I just threw it in.
Alright.
But I mean, this is going to be on the dragon follower anyway, so it doesn't matter. It's independent.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think that's fine. I'm just trying to figure out if I need anything more from this. That's what I'm saying.
But are we taking a break or are you trying to wrap this up?
Yeah, I think I need to. Is that Mio Studio stream audio stuttering? I'm just trying to fix this before we wrap up. That's what I'm trying to get you to focus on as well.
Okay.
Christensen's not in focus mode today.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do we need it? Can I just delete that then and maybe call this a day? Is what I'm trying to ask.
I think not. I think it wants... or maybe if you rename the Dragon Mini to Kiddo.
Okay.
Because I'm doubting our string
I
references.
distract him a lot. I apologize. It's okay. It's just Krister is the distracted one today.
I wonder if it also needs a ragdoll or rename the.
I mean, I'm just. Oh, I did the wrong one now. See. What did you say?
I think we need something called ragdoll in there.
Why am I getting only audio source? Okay, there you go. It's fine.
Yeah.
What do I need? What do you say?
So
I
this
got
one
audio source.
has ragdoll there, right? I think one
Yeah.
of these other ones needs to be called that ragdoll, just so we know we double turn it off.
Like that?
Can you turn this one off and see if it disappears? No, I think you need to do the one above.
Okay, let's just undo this. There you go. There you go.
And thank you for following Space Whoopee.
Ragdoll.
Yes.
There you go.
Because if you disable that one, that works.
That one works. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then, am I missing anything else here? Pip follower. Script. We need that.
This is a lot more complicated than we thought.
Okay. Top of water.
Top of the water. Wait, are you Norwegian? Yeah, we're Norwegian.
Well, Chris is Norwegian. I'm Welsh, but we're living in Norway.
Sorry, we're having focus moment.
We're having focus moment. Because Claire's brain is on fire right now. Literal fire. That's what happens when you're working with things. I think I can delete the kiddo now.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Yes, I think you can delete him.
Yeah, I think I can delete him. So I can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can probably go here and then we're done with that one.
Let's hope so.
And if I get rid of...
He can stay around.
Oh, yeah, okay, can he?
Yeah. Because it's
okay.
a different one, which is the one in the world, and the other one being instantiated. They are different things.
But do we need to put it here? No, we need to...
Hook it up in the player.
There you go. There you go. Dragon.
Oh, you have it hooked up?
No, I have the other one.
Oh, the wrong
you were
one.
upset about.
Oh, yeah, okay.
There you go. There you go. I got it. There you go.
Oh, Satoshi no. He's Swedish. We have very few Swedish people hanging around here. So you'll feel right at home. And actually, I'm going to plug the Game Dev Friends Club Discord.
Why does it have a little tick there?
Because we just sent it, I think. Something like that.
Oh, okay.
And you're welcome to join the lovely community if you want to hang out with other passionate game devs. So that's where we...
Passionate? No.
Super passionate.
Okay,
and thank you for following Sorry, I butchered your name. But and Sachi Shono, thank you also for following. I'm so glad you guys are finding us around, even if we're having a bit of a struggle right now. Did it have...
Nope, didn't work.
It didn't work because we haven't... We didn't do this to also programming.
Yeah, I think we have to do this another time. I can't do it now.
We will wrap it up another time.
We'll have to wrap it up another time because my brain hurts.
Yeah. Okami. Okay, I'll call you Okami.
So we have already come up with a stream name.
Yes.
So that has been done.
Which is Here Be Dragons.
Here Be Dragons.
Yeah.
And we now need to find somebody to
raid. Yeah, that sounds about right.
If you want to, you can share your links.
Yes.
What's this other stuff? Yes.
Yeah, feel free to share your links and inspire us and other game devs, etc.
And then you can also follow our YouTube. I'm just pressing these buttons that Krister has up on.
I'm sorry for spamming chat.
Yeah, we're spamming chat now. Whoa! Yeah, we're spamming chat.
Yeah.
What? But we'd already done that one. I don't know. We got Snuti bot easy there.
We can do this.
A little smile. She's such a happy little. It's not a bot. It's Streamlabs. So.
Yeah, it's us pressing buttons on Streamlabs. Us pressing buttons. No, it's Stream Deck. I mean.
Stream Deck, is it? Stream Deck.
It's called Stream Deck.
Okay. You want to
share the laptop? Yeah. So let's see who's streaming.
Why were we on the top left? I don't know. We only got 48.
Because 48. I don't know. Because we're the most recommended. The awesomest. That is cool.
That is awesome. But there's another one on the right which has 153. So
yeah,
it's confusing.
Probably weighted by a chat interaction because so much cool chat going on. What is this guy Be Witty up to? Unity Game Dev Day 40 A-star.
So what we're normally looking for is they are confused again. What are we confused again about? I'm confused. Confused about being confused.
Yeah.
It's meant for Fox and audience.
Yes.
So we're normally looking for somebody who has a webcam and is doing game dev and has not many people watching. So we're going to raid them with all of our 45 viewers.
It has been quite a fun morning, even if we have been sidetracked a lot. But it's been really fun. I think it's going to be a nice addition to the game.
Yes. But,
Yeah, do you want me to have a further look? Or are we found our target?
I don't know.
I can...
So last time we streamed somebody that was like really, really big and we didn't realize that. I'm like,
oh, that's true, yeah. He just started for the day.
This guy is fun. Thanks for the lovely stream. Thanks for the stream strom.
Yes. I'm so happy you guys are hanging out here.
Yes,
even if we were sitting here struggling and
making a dragon.
Complicated morning.
Complicated morning.
Yeah. I think it's...
no. We made lots of progress until brain started hurting. Well, we went
There's no more than this. This is all.
Is that all?
Very few.
What?
That's weird. Isn't there more channels than this?
Are you sure you're not just like refreshing?
Well, I think we found a good guy, so we'll roll with him.
Okay.
But we will do this.
Did you find the name?
But there's a problem here.
Why? What was that?
Winky.
Winky's upset. She hasn't had any snuggles.
Winky.
And thank you for the follow, Friday Zero. I was lurking, but I'm not hurting.
Oh, I'm glad that you're here. Thank you for hanging out.
Winky says hi. Oh,
hello.
Play.
Are you sleepy?
She's very sleepy.
Very sleepy. Ready to channel.
You're such a good little girl. So you haven't done your little things. You've done your little wrapping things, which is to roll the credits.
Oh yeah, click on that one.
What do we fix that? I don't know.
Nah, I haven't fixed it. Sorry.
So. You're so positive. It's killing me.
That is awesome.
Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad that we can... Oh, look at all these followers who's been hanging out today.
Thank you for everybody who's been following us.
Mm-hmm.
Winky says thanks.
Yeah.
Have a great one. You too.
Have you seen such a sleepy chihuahua?
Oh, she's just a cutie pie. Morris is jealous behind.
And thank you for following Adam. That's awesome.
23. Oh, hello. You just joined a little bit too late. We were going to be raiding somebody now.
Yeah. I hope you guys are having a really nice weekend.
We hope you have a really nice weekend, not just...
And if anything, this was a good start to it.
Yes.
And we hope you're inspired to do more game dev.
Yes.
Because it was
add more dragons.
Really fun session with you guys today.
Yeah. and you've been all distracting Krister so much.
I'm sorry. Whoa.
Kudos to all.
You have post-stream credits stream with all new followers now. Yeah, that's
we do.
You've
and
been,
subscribers. And,
pimping our stream a bit.
We do, yeah. We do. And cheers for Point Separator.
Cutest Furby I've ever saw, yeah.
Isn't it a cute little chihuahua? You're the cutest little soul, Winky. Yeah, you are.
Okay, let's check out this.
Let's get ready to raid, guys.
Be witty guy.
Yeah. So have a nice weekend. Be awesome and have a nice weekend. I said that already.
We're streaming now, raiding in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Have a good one.
Bye.